Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continued support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yes, if you are someone who's from the inner city or ghetto, like where I'm from, a majority of Jamaicans, normally see them in a bad light. So, ghetto people, they are the epitome of criminals, because that's the way that they were raised, cultured, nurtured, domesticated and socialized to be, criminal minded. And even, although you have some people living there and them indulge in a criminality, when I say indulge, them benefit from it, but after a while people grow up or, and realize, boy, that's a wrong way to live. And sometimes the environment where you live, force you into a certain lifestyle. So you're going to hear from this woman. As well, you still say, just look at your thumbnail. So this is going to be a lengthy video, yeah, especially for people who are on Patreon, and it's going to cover various topics. So hope you're just ready, for what's coming. You understand? This is going to be the full video, yeah, man, of a witness, yeah, General Starky cousin. She witnessed the morning when when he was shot and killed by the police in a shootout. He and 7 other men. Them say it was 8, them say 9, but the media say it's 7, but the people in a Jonestown say 9. So you understand? So from ever since the media and the people in Jamaica, they are loggerheads, you understand? So I just saw it go. So we want you to, so we're going to give you a briefing of what you're going to hear. As we tell you now, this is not an entertainment channel, and you're going to hear historical things. So you're going to hear General Starky receive a forewarning from Member of Parliament Anthony Spalding. Yeah, them call him Tony Spalding. They build all the complex of him, the football field in a jungle on Collie Smith Drive, concrete jungle. You can stay at Curry Parkway and watch it, or if you're at Havana and one of these housing complex in jungle. Yeah, so so Tony Spalding, one General Starky about his impending demise because a whole heap of people are shot. War, them are war. all of them them call themselves socialists. All of them in a community them are war. And he must say, boy, him no want no more shot fire. So shortly after that, he and others, including Willie Agat, that are, Willie Agat more, them sought protection from the security forces and their enemies through an obia man, the ritual involving protective bath. You're going to hear all of them things because I saw a long time bad man believe in obia business, So I just know. And then believe in this bath. However, they did not adhere to the traditional waiting period of 3 days before bathing, except for Willie Agat, who abstained and consequently survived the fatal error. So the Obi man tell him, say, look here, don't bathe for 3 days, and boy, you don't know, to the man, them want, them want skins, or you want to say them want pum pum, so then go bathe. All of them will bathe except Willie Agat. Him never bathe. So the night before their deaths on June 1st, so that you understand, 1981, reggae dancehall artist Eka Mouse claimed to witness former SSP Calvin Benjamin, bad police firing shots alongside General Starkey at a dance, suggesting an exchanging of firearms. They must say, Eka Mouse, I say, boy, General Starkey and Calvin Benjamin, no nonsense, police is still doing it, but say Benjamin mentioning like killing of two other policemen, Tony, you were taught by East. If you listen to Detective Marsh tell you, and you hear Licky 13 tell you some things about them, and there are some dangerous police, them backing at them time, play with them, them time there was Wild West. And so, a police like me would all dead easily. Because that thing's a boy, XP the core. No, so it was a criminality big time. I saw them used to do it back then. Yeah, so them say boy, that's what Eka Moore says. So, however, General Starkey's relatives and witnesses dispute this account, asserting that SSP Benjamin was absent. So, when name Eka Moore, I say boy, Benji was there. And the people them say, no, I lie, I tell them thing. And even him family, because them say, no, shot them, I fire the dance tonight, so that I lie. He come out said, him General Starkey, and a friend, he was there the morning, you understand, when the shooting happened. And I do believe that if something like that did happen on him thing, like what he come out says, the police are going to spare him, because he would have secret with Benji, and Benji was there that morning, so. You understand? So, and you're going to hear that General Starkey, who had a daughter, raised in a Tivoli Gardens, tragically lost her life to violence instigated by Grandspend Andrew Pang, leading to the police to have to take action and Renita Adams, and dust out Andrew Pang. So General Starkey daughter, she was a police officer, her name is Karen Tinglin. Karen Tingle from Rima. It was his daughter. I used to live at Lizard Town, and Lizard Town is right beside Tivoli Gardens, so that's where she's from. Excuse me, Erona say Rima, she's in Tivoli Gardens. You're going to hear that Portia Simpson had affiliations with Payne Avenue Dance, Papa John and Tucker Keith. So when pressure mounted on Tucker Keith, and he was killed, prompting Papa John to flee to the United States. My brother, and you understand, so them killed Tucker Keith up at Payne Avenue, and Papa John was the other brother. Him just leave, you understand. So notably General Starkey, Lester Lloyd Cook, Jim Brown and Christopher Dudus Cook, this is first Jamaica gonna hear this. They are relative, them are family, blood cousin. You're going to hear this from General Starkey cousin too. Yes. So it's biological for them for violent and them thing there. So Dudus, General Starkey and Jim Brown, them are family. You're going to hear how them come to be related, because Lizard Town and Tivoli Garden are side and side, and you understand. So in reflection, it's caution that certain family members may pose a risk when relocated to America due to their involvement in Jamaican conflicts. Their ingratitude, them ungrateful and deceitful tendency make them hazardous to those who extend assistance. So you're going to hear on them thing, because we have a conversation. most people, and you get to understand now when you live in America, you understand why most people do not help them Jamaican relatives to migrate because of the ungrateful tendency. Yes, and even yours truly experience the same. Yeah, man, experience the same. Yeah, seeing family member help others and them see man say, oh, I did them. I plan to kill the person. We bring them come to America. May I tell you, yeah, man, in America. You understand what I'm saying? So. And you're going to hear, after even a man we bring him own brother come here where shouldn't even come. Because his mother said, I bring him because him wicked and him kill the other brother. Yeah, I tell you, the one that fight for him come here. So don't be shocked and dismay when family member, when them reach America, them not help you. It's because of the tendency of the ungratefulness and the deceitfulness of Jamaican people back home and them not appreciate kindness. You understand? Yes. So there are allegations surrounding police. And this is not an allegation, this is a serious thing, big youth. Yeah man, police big youth and Barrington, police Barry Hamilton, accusing them of criminal activities while wearing the uniform of law enforcement officers. And supposedly act in allegiance with the PNP criminal organization. These police officers were criminals, I tell you, I saw them issuing guns when I was a little boy. Yes. So these allegations including arming youths returning from Cuba as brigadistas who were then involved in violent acts against supporters of the opposing party. So in contrast, so them say Edward Seaga a wickedest thing we ever happened to Jamaica. So we are going to tell you now, we are going to debunk that as a youth born and grow in our PNP community and a youth who can think and as a detective. That's why people like me, hey look here, over here say young thing you get a truth. You know I get no sugar coat and when I said for soothe nobody feelings or no ego. Over here say you get the raw truth. We are the only YouTube channel, we lose close to 15,000 subscribers, because we talk the truth. We're not telling a lie because we want views. We are telling the truth. If you're a thief, we are going to tell us you're a thief. We're not going to tell us boy you're an angel or you're an altar boy. We are doing a disservice by telling you a lie. And like for all George Pang and all them man, they were a bad man. If you shame away they doing I pass, all people are telling lie upon you. And you did do it in a virgin. So you just suck it up. I just saw it go. No, you bore so much people, you kill and all them things, and you not give people history. So all of a sudden, boy, you don't want nobody talk about that. But you them not take away your license gun because you can send man go kill Shane Dallin and Hardly Carter because you have whole heap illegal gun. Them not touch you, them will touch a police when they have them links there. You understand? You just see, untouchably, man. Because you don't pay on the dues in a criminality. I saw it going to Jamaica. Angela Brown Burke, fear her father, Tony Brown, killed Ted Ogilvy, run to Cuba for 13 years, and come back, get big dance, celebrate with all the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and gun salute, and see if him daughter that she in a parliament now and them thing there. So, we don't know, maybe you, George Pang and all them man there, and Dana Williams, maybe at the next set now supposed to get some form of numeration for you understand, for a crime when you commit on behalf of a PNP criminal organization. Just like how Dana Williams get the whole heap of money from the Operation Pride and then him filter it in a party for re-election. That's how it goes. So he thinks we are idiot. We are all detective now. We know what happened. Yeah, so yeah man, so we see big youth and police bar them used to come and pick up the gunman them. Gunman, man with them illegal gun, them M60, go in a police vehicle, Yeah man, and them guy remind you whole heap of shot and then come back and tell you who then kill. And them thing that's reporting in news like drive by our police not own it, and when although the people them say the police I say no, I'm not a police car, we're not on a police vehicle where they go down. I saw it used to go, because the police were in cahoots with the criminals them back then in the 70s, we I tell you. So that's why enough people don't like we, because we are taught the truth. I just saw it go. Hey look here, we're not telling nobody nothing to make you feel comfortable, that's a real truth. So as them telling us say Edward Seaga wicked this man. And you understand? But we are telling now, so Edward Seaga is remembered by us for his love for Jamaica and its people. Unlike his political counterpart, Michael Manley, who reportedly sent 2,500 young men, including General Starky, Peter Metro, Trevor Bulgin Bennett, a prominent bigger this time, my number one. Him, of all of them, that I man, my marksman, him a sharpshooter. Him can, some things where him can do, others can't do it. Him How are you, my sister?
I'm alright.
Yeah, man, we get a message, so yeah, so you finally get to talk. You get to talk with me now. Yeah.
Yeah, I've been listening to your program and a lot of lies and make up stuff about it. And alright, me and Tony are cousin.
How you mean a lot of?
First cousin.
How you mean a lot of? Which Tony? How you mean Tony?
Anthony Tinga Starkey, that's my cousin, my first cousin. I
Oh,
listen to the program with you and
okay.
his sister Marlene.
Yeah. Oh, so
But
you know Marlene?
of course, I'm a cousin.
Oh, okay,
I'm
okay.
an auntie only daughter.
Oh, okay.
But listen, I'm listening to Marlene. Marlene don't really know the details of Starkey growing up and all of that because she grew up Harborview, she and Michael.
Okay, so on the uptown she grew then on them thing there.
No, Harborview, our auntie used to teach at Central Branch School.
So
she,
what on it? So you say that, so basically you're saying that Marlene a lie then, cause if she not grow uptown on them thing there, she
grew up Harborview. Remember, Harborview is like a residential area.
Yeah, but Harborview on the uptown.
Listen, at the uptown, like St. Andrew.
Yeah.
They go to Harborview.
Mm.
But remember, back in those days, not nowhere, say gonna fire everywhere.
Yeah.
Harborview was like a residential area, a splash area.
Yeah, back then, yeah. But on the uptown on them things.
On the uptown.
So Marlene just want to say, boy, she don't want to associate herself them, so she just say, boy, uptown she used to live.
Well, listen, if you listen to stigma in our conversation, Marlene go on like say, even when our mother dead, when my auntie dead, me did down there, and me call her. I feel make me and her make her in because me and my auntie was very close. Me love my auntie then.
That's a fear mother.
Yeah, auntie Enid. And she go away and don't even left $1 to bury my auntie.
Allah ya tell. Her mother?
She not go with auntie Enid in her.
No, it not really matter. As she birth your man, you understand? You care about that and them thing. Yeah. And one thing, hey, look here, my mother always say you can't use a next man finger and show God.
Yeah, but let me tell you, I don't know, them have my auntie, after a while, when she very young, my granny did tell me, it's like, she talk to herself and thing, but not the way auntie, me say she crazy.
Hey, so me talk to a police and them thing that where did raid your Enid house down a Lizard Town, because she was an Indian woman.
She not Indian, she half white. Her father is a sailor. So it's, you see Marlene, see, that's the thing with Marlene now.
That's why she get there.
Right. The thing with Marlene, because my grandmother is a maroon,
Yeah.
She black and good looking, and then what happened is when my grandfather have my first auntie, when my granny did pregnant with my first auntie.
Yeah.
And my first auntie know Mr. Pete. Him come a foreign and
Mr. who?
Mr. Pete, that's my grandfather.
Oh, okay.
Him come a foreign and through my granny them used to work, all of them used to work on a craft market. I guess them used to dibble and dabble with sailor.
You know, so go on them things.
So I saw my auntie come with a pretty hair, because every time she come at the yard, I comb her hair, me in her hair, and she
you love it, yeah.
Yeah, me love her hair, me love my auntie, man. And
so she met Marlene have a long hair?
Well, Mr. Sydney was kind of Indian too.
Oh, her father?
Yeah, for them side of family was mixed with Indian. Pretty year too. But anyway, and she don't even mention her little brother where they are Jamaica, white arms. Because my auntie have 2 full-fledged white people, Lassell and Victor.
Oh, yes.
And me and my daughter, but them people, them kind of selfish and them go like say, because even when she go away, I never, Victor, talk to me and think me and Sophia Spratt put together and put to the funeral.
Oh, for Enid?
Right.
So she never, but remember, so she married in a family where them have money.
Yeah, but the money down there, but them, you say for families, because them people, them kind of go like, so because them have like education, them go like them Ray, and them know why, because she go like, even when she never tell her husband about we, she take us, when we talk to her on the phone, because do in the park, she does stay. Victor give me the number. And I said to her, say, make her meet up and put something together for Enid. But, because I know she alone couldn't do it.
Mm-hmm.
She She go away. Victor called me and tell me say she left and not left no money.
She left Jamaica and come back America?
Yeah, go back a foreign. So
she not got a mother funeral?
Hell no, my auntie buried in February and I think I was in December or the November my auntie did dead.
Which year that?
Let me see, I did down there from 99. I think it was either 2000 or 2001. My auntie did. I'm not quite sure. Maybe I have to ask my sister.
That's a wicked. No, man. Oh, your mother for dead. No.
Well, that's all them is. Them should never regard Enid.
No,
them not regard Enid, you know.
No, man. But
because Enid down there, she has sent things to her husband, family, man. The things them now reach Enid.
Really?
Yeah. Enid not get nothing. So when me say Enid dead and me go up there, the roof, me stand up in the roof and I look up in the sky. Stand up in the living room and I look up in the sky. A new man and my auntie dead with it.
Hey, look here. Let me tell you something between me and him thing there. You see me, let me tell you this and him thing there. You see from me, giant police force. Cause I tell you this and him thing there. Cause you know, say I see him community me come from. My mother impart a lot of things to me. You see like how you see police, you know, police everywhere they ain't gonna have picnic. Me never do that. Cause my mother tell me, you know, say, hey, look here, me no want time you get paid and you have to take bus go this or this. So all of them things are rabbit in my head. She tell me, say, don't go live with no woman cause you're not gonna have nothing. Me never do that either. You understand? Cause she say, whole heap of police me tell them thing there, you know. So I show you so my mother is a good woman, you know. So all of them things.
Me have a son where he married and him and his wife there for 10 years till she walk out. Him not run around and him grow with family member them and see them run around and with a much different woman and him not stay like.
Well, you know, sometimes you're young before you reach like 30, you know, you understand, especially when you're police and them thing.
All right, me know you have a lot of time, so me
can't talk. Look here, me not tell a lie of them things. Between me and you, although I first me talk to you, it come like me even know you, because you, because, I'm tell you, me love when people honest on them thing there. Because me say, man, me no shame, you saw me I grow in the 80s, me shame where me come from, you know. Me I tell you, you know.
I never shame where me
come
from.
Because you don't know the stigma. You see all the time after me go live all my mother country, people look on you like you're a criminal, like say nothing good not come from Jonestown, you know.
No man, liar, doctor.
No, me talk.
I run at the gully bank.
Yeah, me talk.
Run a girl in street. You know how much liar and doctor come from around this on a town.
Yeah, but how many of them proud to say them come from around here?
People proud for say them come
some
from.
Some of them
people on Facebook, you know, say don't have where me come from. We have a club named Base One, and one of the youth him live in Canada, and him still post picture when all in one of the member them drop out and think him put up picture and them something. So you know, around let me tell you where we are come from.
Boy,
that's why I left the message and tell you say Tony wasn't a raper. Let me tell you where we are come from.
All right,
Bakawal.
Yeah, let me tell you how that come in on them thing there. All right, wait. Let me tell you why that come in on them thing there. You know in time men have sex with children under girls under 16.
Well, me know say the little girl, it's like me have a fetish for little girl.
Then it man, and I like saying hold them and
but
take it.
But I rape, me see them come.
Yes, but I tell you say under the law, them can't give consent.
Yeah, but them used to come because him never used to go look for them. And them come, all right.
Yeah.
Is that only part thing I have to tell you? But I don't know if you can do it.
No, man, you can, man, because it seems like you have a more intimate relationship with them than Marley.
Of course, then here the Sunday before him dead, him look at me now and say, "Yeah, my favorite cousin, you know, I love you, you know." I say, "Me know," and him say, "John, no enough thing. Them see my brother and cousin them always bring. Me don't know why them always come tell me what them do." Alright, let me tell you something now.
Alright, before you go no further on them thing there, me like how you honest on them thing there. The thing with where Marlene say I did Michael kill the woman at a betting shop. You remember that killing there and them thing there, and it helped contribute to him death and And Tony Welch them.
You see, if you listen to me, I'm gonna tell you everything.
Alright, me listen.
Me tell you everything. But me I tell you more, you know, have an idea where we are come from.
Yes.
We live a back a while, that's before Tivoli built up.
Yeah.
When we never move away till when Siago come with the bulldozer and a bulldozer. That time was 3 years, but still remember.
Yeah, man, that can't leave out of your memory.
Auntie did live down there with the white picking them. Siago take what they picking them from Auntie. She never have them, because even when we go up a Manningsville go live, her father carry a Manningsville go live. A Manningsville school we go. When we used to come back at town, back and forth, because our auntie and we mother used to carry, we go our auntie, we go our grandmother, we go visit them same way. But we father carry we up a man in Zilgo, say City Kingston, I go burn down. That time I look at my father like a madman, we don't know what we matter about.
Yeah.
So when we come at town now, come look. Auntie, remember when my mother carry at town, Auntie they live at Chestnut Lane. I remember the address right now, but if I forgot it, we can't tell us Auntie they live in that yard.
Yeah.
All right. She live at Wildman Street. Two different streets she live on out at East. Remember them time there no politics war, you know.
Yes,
them
man.
time there was gang war. Spanglers. Starky was Spanglers.
Yeah.
They used to party the Regent Street, man, them the Wellington Street, but I know Spanglers these are them place there. Bread Lane. So when me hear about the Labour Right Party and him have to run with Starky never have to run, because one thing, nobody can run him, no man can run him. Them man, them just, and him not look bad. Him have if you look on him picture, you know, say him is a decent, good looking person.
Me know him as somebody who me know, you know. Me know him as a little youth growing up. You know, me know him.
Him used to dive and see him and Simon. When the sailor ship them come, them used to throw the kind them in the water. And the kind of good swimmer, him and Simon and my auntie.
I don't pay me learn for swimming now.
Yeah, down there you can Granny always have a stall in the craft market. And the whole we used to make the dolly them with the basket. We used to sew the clothes them, and we make the mother and we auntie them that them used to live off of. So let me see what happened. 1970, I can't remember. That time I was teenager. We live at Girling Street. Cause my granny, that's how we come back at town, come live. My mother set a picnic them. Because our father is like we up there and certain things not right. When our granny see we don't look right and things. So she tell my mother say she go get a tenant them in the back, run at the back part. Notice and she bring her back, come at town, come live. So we come back, I remember 69, we come back at town, come live. The tenant them never really move out yet. So my other auntie they live a race course lane, 9 race course lane in front of Rima.
Yeah. So
we stay around there till when the tenant them move, we come round a Girling Street. And we round there so till 1980. Starky, Tony used to come at the yard regular. Remember one time when me a 10-year-old, him come at the yard one day, my sister did have a transistor radio, nice new brand radio, and my granny wardrobe, and me see him in there search, but me never remember nothing about the radio. And it coming like I don't know, like some handset. My sister come the following day ask for the radio. And me now, me a little pick me a 10-year-old. I say, I told him I did see in there. The man and him a drink some tea in a one jam buckle. You know, they take lick out the jam out of the buckle, wash out the buckle, and him a drink some mint tea in the buckle. Yeah. And me and my granny stand up at my veranda, our veranda right at the door, cause our veranda did have a door. Me I say, him in the house, him in and fling the buckle straight in my eye, in my left eye, you know. Yeah, I think my blind, I get a cut on, and my mother carry me down public. I'm down there, and Keith, that my brother I name Keith, but I'm calling him Tuko Keith. Him and George Pang come down there, cause him and George Pang, that time George Pang live up at the top of Girling Street. Slim them time, my brother used to learn trade out of Waltham. And them come down there. And I appreciate when I'm a little girl, I'm glad I say, people care about me, them come check for me and thing. And
hospital?
Yeah, and him feel it. Cause when God found you, so alright. When him and my brother come from the trade, cause them used to get a little pay, every 2
Yeah, man. Let me see.
And him stop, my brother stop up a female and him beard, and then him come down, and my brother don't have to yard now and wait till my brother beard. And one Friday, even remember, I look for my brother and see my brother go back to the gate and never give me $1, and him look for my brother and say, Star, give your sister them, your little sister them money. See me get all of my little brother and sister them money. And I know my brother never give $1 and him just go through the gate with George Pam. We never really care, But the fact that him care, show you say him care, him concern, and him said that, to him. Me that little girl, but it touched me still, So anyway, them time that me at 10, me never see Tony again when me at 10. And think about him, because him never really lived there. He just only used to come there. My mother never used to live there. I always there, either my auntie yard or my mother yard. So really, me born at 44 Melchior Street. All heap of them, friend of them living at that yard there, 44 Melchior Street. Even my baby father, my first baby father, when me meet him say another yard them born. And my mother, them know female mother and father and everybody, because all of them living at the same yard together. So anyway, me never see him again after I fling the back in my head. That time I was 10 years old. Till when me about 12. Oh, that I got happen now, but me hear my granny them I talk about some murder and jail and them something there. But me never hear the details. So one day me over all since I play now, rain it fall, and a guy follow me. Come round, a guy with all saints could follow me and him stand up at the gate. And me just see this like a short man come push up him face and him dread now, short dread and thing, look nice and thing. And him push up him face right, because I stand up on my granny fence. And him come and say, oh, this man, I don't know you, where you come and push up your face for me for. And him laugh and say, you don't know who, I'm me. And I say, who you? And him say, I'm me, Tony. And I say, oh, you look different. That time him just get to for a murder. The first man when him kill run a race course lane. And after me hear my granny attack how it go. The same girl the name Little June, they'd send him the man them 2 brothers. Me don't know who them name are, because me never question them or ask. But could I did ask him and him would have tell me, but me never a little pick them, me never interested.
Yeah.
But me hear my granny attack say the brother them send Little June. Them time they're not politics. You could have go race course lane, you could have go round anyway. Because I remember me used to walk around anyway, go anywhere me want go back then. Before Michael Manley did win.
Yeah.
Between 70, 71 and so. The border never dry yet. You could have go anywhere. Wellington Street. Walk down Wellington Street, but anyway. And when my granny, me really hear my granny says, them send Junior, and the person was Little Junior. See him Junior where I go like she a gun girl. Them call her gun girl, what my granny said is that when them send call Tony and Tony come, Tony did fast upon the draw, cause them send call him for kill him, the 2 brother, And so one of the brother testify and make Tony get away for that murder there. Yeah, because I send them, I don't know where me there, but a Little Junior them send come call him for kill him. But it's like him 6 cents kick in.
Yeah, so him beat them to the draw.
Right, him beat them to the draw. And him get to for the murder. Him own brother testify upon him. Say him send call Tony for kill Tony, but Tony fast upon the draw.
And the juror them let him go?
Yeah, in a 72, and him and a guy named Bappa. And another cousin with me that from my father's side used to come in the yard and Jamaica. So all of them from Garden, but me never even know say no Papa did come from Garden. Fast forward from the me I gonna know say Papa come from Garden now. When him a come in the yard, me a little girl, 12-year-old, me never have no man yet. Me meet my baby father when me a 14 and did have my first daughter when me a 15. My baby father dead in a 77, but him dead in he must go and dance I must timekeeper for the site, you know, where them turning the
form
center. And him got the dance. We did got Beverly. Everybody in the yard got for Jamaica house.
Yeah.
Beverly man lead have a concert up there. So when me come, me no see my beer father. I'm supposed to see that stairs with my daughter. Me ask my sister say him give her $1 until her for watch the baby till him come. The morning, me not see him come, because them time him have a house over Woodford Park. If he sleep over him, he used to come over early. Me not see him come, so me get up and me go to the gate and me see a man. The man become counselor somewhere at the site after a while. Me see him and him say, him look up and him see me stand up on the fence and him say, your baby father dead in. I look at him and say, I lie, I tell my baby father. I me go back and lay down in my bed. And me lay down and I come out back again. And when I come out, I see Chubby that a jungle mother we seen a wild bunch. Because she used to sweep the street, the crash program. And she said, do dead in. I said, my baby father not dead. And when I go in back, I see my cousin open her window. I say, Rose, you know, so everybody I tell me say Ride dead. I know say Ride dead. And my sister-in-law now with her sleep and she open the door. She must say hear me and she said, Lorraine Ride dead for true, you know. And I say, what you mean, Ride? I say, she said she had a dream. Something she never listen to the dream what she say. Me just go over me and I go over there and I look for them two sisters. I say, Ride. Them say, no, over here. I say, no, but everybody I tell me same day. Them stop out, so me come back. When them say them find Ride dead behind, separate one lane, me no know. Me never go look, me no know. Because me never believe. I'm baby mother when him Rose. Go identify him. And he dead with a ring on him finger when my mother did him. And she take off the ring off him finger. You must know, say, I used to tell the same about my family again, but I never really, interested to know who them was.
Yeah.
Or what. And after peace now, fast forward, after peace, after I'm buried and everything, that I in a 77, you know.
So, Riley dead?
Well, Riley used to have a big man friend, and him help one of them kind of a man, if him can't afford you, anybody and right.
Yeah.
So when him work on the scheme and make him friend them and make money, and Tyrone, me and John, them man that was him friend, and Gemini, pure big man. Because when him got Gemini, you can't even take when him buy.
Oh yeah, Gemini, we have a club that come from Jonestown.
Right. Gemini, where you have the club for
Yeah man, because Jonestown him come from, You know, so you come from Jonestown to do.
All the people come from Jonestown.
But you know, say I see him bad man, you have to move from there.
The same yard where we live in our 44 Melchior Street, and the Ken Boot used to live to. When they moved to King Street, we used to address my kind live at King Street, and the Mandulan used to live. So, anyway, when peace now, I see this Chris bike come at the gate and I lay down on my granny bed because my granny bed did face and the window did face the gate.
Yeah.
And I see this person upon this Chris bike. I just see this bike pull up at the gate and the person upon, Lorraine, come here. I'm in the pan. I'm afraid to go because I don't know nobody upon the Chris bike now,
Yeah.
So me there and I say, who you? And them I say, Lorraine, come here. And I say, me man, come here. So I kind of get come there a while for about a minute I call me and I go. I hesitate because I don't really know nobody upon the bike.
Yeah.
And then I jump through the window and go there. And when him smile, by the time I say, oh, you all look up in his face, I see him smile, because I'm always a crown, black, good looking boy, papa. And I say, oh, you are where you did that? And him say, God. I say, I'm frightened. No, I say, then, oh, you and Tony used to come in here and again. I say, then, oh, every morning when Tony kill people on Darling Street, when they come from Lizard Town, we know same family, them live here, when they come down. They say, my heart sink. The man said so. I can't read my people used to come in our yard and them know so we live there and him always go shoot up people around our Rima. Nobody never come doing nothing.
Then before we go no further, that is what I was telling him sister, Starky sister, said back then no man no man trouble no bat no gunman
No family.
Yeah, all right. So you see,
woman and pick me the half limit.
no, but she tell me say I no saw it go. Me say no. I saw it go.
When
Me
she
know.
know, she come from way out, so she where she know. Let me tell you, when she used to come up at jungle, because it's more like she a run behind Tony. I'm not afraid to tell her. It's more like she a run behind him, because sometimes she come and she a walk from one corner to the other corner, and all know she not see him till when it does up she going.
Also, I really even she used to come look for.
Yeah, she not go over her mother and go look for her little brother them or nothing.
Also,
it's like, you know, it's like him name a mention, because when him dead now, she said she not come back, and she really never come back over there go look for her mother or nobody.
No.
So anyway, she had the least. When I ever pay she no mind. Because them stigmatize themselves and feel like say, because she tell her husband, when me call her husband, you know, when her mother dead, you know, when Victor give me her white brother, when Victor give me the number, you know, and me call me down there. And me I talk to him and me I say, well, me and Marlene. He must say, they know Marlene say, I'm going to share Victor and Dada man, because me have a bigger cousin, my whole auntie son, when he have Dada man at the time. Because our husband know him. They're my friend. So she said, they know Marlene tell me. Me say, Marlene a liar. Marlene, me say a 3 picnic my granny have. Aunt mother's auntie than my mother, which is the youngest one. My mother have how much are we? Must 21 hours. So she fit to say Uncle Victor them. And where she know she always where she did want why she go where and don't bury in it, you know. So she not bury in it. She said she gonna go it was either she gonna go the Friday with Enid at Dove Cat. Nobody else now go the funeral, cause you know other people were there with Enid and rally around Enid. The girl them who all carry Enid go hospital and things. Them nobody wouldn't get forgot the funeral. So I say, well, you alone go carry Enid car from Panyo?
Madness that.
Panyo back. So I saw she get mad now and go away.
Oh, she don't want nobody tell her the truth.
Yeah.
I saw liar stay, you know.
So she say, but me never me the last time me say there Miami. Me say me never there Miami, California me did live. My family last time in California me live. So she with that saying she go away and never bury Enid. That's why Enid it takes so long for bury and thing. But anyway, Sophia did send 500 US.
That a Starky, that I sprat girl.
Yeah.
But she never youth for him, Sophia.
No, Sophia never have no picture to him, no. And my phone I go answer.
You did have it like the
phone now I cry, you know, so sometimes I kind of So she never have no kids for him. Him have a daughter live in Anatown, Swan, and I want to tell you the Friday, I'm going to go there the Sunday and the Friday and send me to Swan. And him and Swan ride up and down on the bike. I don't even know, I must have sent him friend them back with her, because I never me carry her back down. And him have grand picnic and Swan have kids.
So,
but she not ready. If her granny never make sure ready stand in her name. Because she did scared. Yeah,
so because I was saying to what's your name, the sister?
Marlene.
Yeah, me I say, you know help your other family them. Boy, she don't want to talk about that. She behave like say them are alien and them thing then.
Yeah, because she feel like said she have little education, but I know she want to have education.
Yeah, but I
know she want to have education, but all because every Christmas my daughter send $100 go give Victor. When me at work, me send money go give Victor. When me go to Texas, me and Lassell always hook up. The other white one. So Victor Lassell tell me one time him go down there and like him an alien in our house. He tell him just left. Them people that them in a them liquor.
Yeah, because I mean used to talk about a thing there, a husband, father. You understand? Yeah.
She never in her Enid's side of family. Just true. Tony was named that mention. It looked like say that she did like the hype.
Yeah, man, she love it, man. Cause she even right now she still love it and them thing because
she love the hype. But I'm never tell you say when Starky dead natural, so you know. I can't tell you what lead up to Starky death. One time he sit down over jungle. I live in Mexico and John come tell me that my brother come tell me say the jungle man them go kill Tony. I say what? And I say for what? Him say because him a him a hands up I got. So I say for that. But I know only that, other little things that them I say him could have all how much house uptown with the amount of money them where him get and them, which is true. And Tony it mean Tony never give nobody nothing. Him that make money and him never give nobody nothing. My granny, him back up him car one time my granny tell me never know even know till long after. My granny got town and never sell nothing the day. And cause through the election the things bad. And the evening when me I come up, because I used to go on a town every day when me just come live in the 80s before the election. And me I come up and I say everybody I look for me and I look away. But me not take it for nothing because me know say them all them stay.
Yeah.
Me I think say something happen and me not ask no question. Me just go in at the house because me come, me never look my friend when me live up there. Me just go in and come out. So me never ask a question until one day my granny tell me say Tony, she come for she got town and she never sell nothing. That time the bad man them used to hang out right front of the clinic at 8th Street there so. And one little open land there so it look like somebody come on there with a car and my granny I say she go beg him $2 because you know $2 back then was
enough money man, yeah man, remember.
And she said she go and instead I'm going to impact him, he don't have money. And instead I'm going to unpack it and give my granny even $10, I'm jump in the car on a driveway and two little sister there behind the car play. The car, instead I put the car in a drive, him go put in a reverse and the car kill one of the picnic on the spot and one admitting at the hospital for how long. Yeah, I mean never even know when the little girl come out of the hospital about 2 years after, a year after, me realized when it happened.
So through him vex and I want to give him grandmother nothing that him.
And the same vex, I just saw them stay them mean. No care how much money them a work. Even when my mother dead after the election day, and him come down a Mexico and say, oh no worry man, me go give you no money. And people tell me say him go up on the site over Zimbabwe and collect money and him not give you nothing.
Dog man. Me hate them kind of people doing them thing there.
Yeah, our family, I will love him and everything.
Yeah, but
him never kind. Him never no care him achieve. Him not give nobody nothing.
Him rather friend, man.
Yeah, then alright. I gotta tell you that's why my brother never tell him. So the jungle man let me draw card upon him. Although him know so them are worried him, but him not really know the details. So when my brother passed him exam also in school with distinction and credit, and him pick face Kingston technical, but when him get the paper at Jamaica College, him depend the paper with the most distinction and credit. So him persuade my mother for go over ministry now, go change it. My mother go over there and the people them tell her so them can't change it, can't pass it, too much distinction and credit.
And a bigger school that?
Yeah. So when him go up a jungle now, the time my father dead and nothing go on, we don't know nobody at jungle, things hard, we don't even know, we hungry and all them something. So him say one day him look on Tony and him go up at Tony yard and say, I beg him a shoes. Tony, remember, Tony not wear one shoes for a whole day.
That's true, man.
Them man, they have clocks line off from
yeah, man, for real. True.
From one end of the house to the next end.
And them man, they start muggling still low, you know.
And him say him ask Tony for your shoes and Tony tell him no. And him say one man tell him say him vex and one man tell him say no for go him hang out little. And him see one brother come there. Just a come from GP and come to him and beg him money. And him go in and pack it and take out $20 and give the boy. So me said to my brother say same time. Then why you never just go in, they go put your foot in one shoes and if you think he would have missed it, him say him never want to do that.
I no want him kill him, man.
He wouldn't do him not, he wouldn't miss it. Him, trust me, him wouldn't miss that shoes.
So the little girl when did kill on them thing there in an accident, how that did work out?
Well, me here so them bury, Tony Welsh them I go give the family money for the burying and them.
And them keep it quiet.
Yeah, never come out tight. But the family, them can't say nothing either. Because I see the mother used to look for me some weird and me don't know nothing. Because me never dead. See it after our big daughter, Janet. Because the Janet, you see, anyways, when we go jungle, anyway you see Janet, you see she and the two little girl. And after Starky, then we did come back, come on a town, come live now. She did kill one girl, stab one girl over shot, man. She's short man must see that they with the girl, Rackliffe sister. But anyway, another that about. And nobody Marlene attack me and listen for ear. She say we did it in the yard, you know, cause me living in the yard when Starky did, you know. Never tell you the whole of that episode. My sister live in there.
In a 32 Love Street.
Right. And the man when them take capture the man down there, them never kill the man because the man put a write up in the paper after him dead. The man never dead. So I can clarify that.
Okay, because I know so when him dead, it say I capture a place.
Yeah, them capture the yard and run with the man, but the man never dead. Them never killed, nobody never killed him. We did hear that at first, but after when they see the write up, they say them say the man is dead. But anyway, me never really like jungle living. I better me couldn't make me left my granny yard because me the last one left down a Girling Street. Everybody used to go up at Jonestown, go sleep at night time. Me used to sleep down there and me just have my young baby. So me never left my granny yard go sleep on the floor or nothing. So me never really like them because we there at Girling Street, we hear everything we go on up there, all the killing, all the wickedness, all when Tony Welsh killed the picnic them for the buckle and them thief the buckle and
all that is just evil, man.
All kind of other killing with as a matter of fact, me not gonna call them name. Me and the same girl the way me that listen with upon the video, I got baby mother's sister was in a same class as St. Anne's. And she used to tell me, say, them have a bleach at night. And me say, what? Nobody not take me out of my bed bleach for what? Them thing that they coming like foreign to me when she used to tell me that.
I saw it used to come on. If you want to be a part of them, the criminal underworld, you understand?
You never do that. So me never like, no, you go up there so go live, no matter what. If I never said it, everything they changed in the 1980 and all, them kill off the old people, them and how much people in a new town. We wouldn't did move out our granny yard. Everybody did a move, right? We never have no choice, but we'd have enough to move. But anyway, let me tell you the night from the Sunday morning when Starky did. Because nobody don't know them details there. As a matter of fact, I can't tell you from the Friday. That's why Marlene tell us said the minister, they know about it. Remember me, Chichi Boom, a journalist for one of them magazines. I never even know if she still do it. And my sister and me and some other girls stand up across the street from the yard, and we see this old Duesenberg car drive down. When we look at Tony Spall in the night, and him stop right where we're there, and him say, we're on Tony Tingle there. We say, we don't know him, just that's about him leave. We don't know where him turn anyway. And him say, tell him say, anyone one more shot fire over here, I'm going to call my brother. And we know who his brother was. He was Minister
Minister of National Security.
Right. So the whole of it, mom, him talk and we just keep him out shut.
Nobody said nothing, yeah.
And him say, I'm going over there, so I talk to the man them over there now that over Angola, I'm go. And this car speed off. Whenever I look for the car pass back or nothing, when him drive go over there, I go seal Tony bit. The Sunday morning, me in the yard I wash, because me didn't live in around one back room, they made build one gate. When they come through the front gate, they made through the dance that I keep in there, they made build a side another gate or from the front gate for part of around at the back. Me there on there wash now, and me see Bunny Night come with weed, so them I go smoke chalice. Some other man it did, me no remember who at the time, but me know Bunny Night and him bring the weed and the chalice. And me know Bunny Night from me a little girl, them used to live up at Harrison Lane, up the sun before election, them used to hang out down a Girling Street, him and turnabout's them, because turnabout's them move from on a Trinity Lane, go up a jungle, you know. Yeah.
But, alright, so before you go no further, let me tell you this now. You see, spot turnabout, you see in a concrete jungle where me used to live to, a two set of people get us inside us. People where go killer, like Spurline and all of them, man, the turnabout and Lenky, right? And people who active in the politics. women, not men. A man them were active in our politics were killers. We get
Well,
us.
let me tell you something. I never know turnabout as a killer or a gunman back then when I was a little girl when I grew up. Man, nah man and doctor. I never know them as to tell you the truth, Lenky right dead up here, I never see that brother there yet and one other big one. I never see them one there yet. But me know Patrick him name Ballsturner. And me know man and me know doctor.
But no Lenky right friend them kill him up here, man.
Well, in our bus ride, them it shoot up wait name there. In our bus ride, our park. It was what you call them shower posse.
Then I say, I'm friend them kill him, man. Cause you know, so one I time him down at Tivoli hide to do. You know that though?
No, so I never hear about him that part.
Yeah, man. One I time link you.
Where my eye down the sofa?
Him and them did fall out up there, you know. Him and them did fall out and them did
okay.
and then after a while, mass up them did tell him, cause you don't know as youth, cause you know I get one of them thing there.
Yeah, everybody know everybody and everybody has.
Alright. So and then one I time
in a piece, I saw me no say no cause look how much labor right them are killing at one to the whole of Tony Welsh family them come live down a Rima.
But man never used to kill people family, I just you them want. And I like know where man come. Yeah. I tell her and she said no, they want to kill me because I say nobody me say look here.
And she a big up herself because them people know we more than know them know she.
Yeah, cause you know your sister them say boy, oh them know them find the general sister.
Well, me know she'd have a house over what you call this so?
Beverly Hills?
No man. What you call Mountain View. Some government house it built up over Mountain View and she did have a house over there. And them shoot it up.
Oh, okay.
Them come shoot it up.
And them shoot, she say our baby father get shot.
Yeah, her baby father get shot. So me know that. Me know of that, but it's not like say because that are out there
so yeah, because
if that in the surrounding get no guard, no man from guard, no Rima, nobody around there, so wouldn't do she not that must over there so. So
I fear baby father money and things then.
No, me don't know. Maybe them people recognize her cause me don't know cause me don't know them kind of cars so she and tell people. Cause nobody not really know her as Tony's sister unless she tell people cause she don't grow up in the garrison like we.
Yeah. Cause she said she know Angela and all them people that are turnabout brother wife.
Well, she get to know people, cause she come in at the area and she meet people in at the area today when she go up a jungle look for Tony. But it's not like say she grew up with nobody. I grew up. All right, me grew up around there, so I don't know a lot of people from Jonestown.
I know why because although you come from the ghetto, you were sheltered, not to mix with the same people them. But you know them, but you know so them no for them to know you.
Me know people by face.
Yeah.
Me know them face, but me don't really know them. Me know Joyce Douglas, cause me and her in the same class. Me know Carol because me know say she and I got it there and everything. But if we talk, me never talk to Carol, but me and Joyce two in the same class we talk.
Yeah.
Them girl they have visa from them a little girl go foreign still, so they made more in a more category than we.
I show them father and politics and them thing there.
So anyway, the man in now, Levy, where used to drive George Pan, carry George Pan to jail or whatever. And Fimo man, them live somewhere down a Price Street. Me don't know where them a war over. If she come to the yard and like she look protection from Tony, but Tony now appear no man, them in the yard and him what draw, come go down and she now go and him knock one for the whole day. And me left and go over. What happen every time the chalice for Starky, light the chalice, it turn over. Because my daddy assistant are washing on me, I notice everything, Every time the chalice reach for him for light it turn over. But fast forward before even that, Starky and Michael and Agatha. Me never did it. Me never, cause every time me never did it yet. Me always hear.
Yeah.
Angela, one girl is living at the other side of the house, the front house. And she tell me, say them go do bloodbath. That's the first me I hear about bloodbath. And them not supposed to be it for 3 days. So the girl, them a come to them. Them got the pipe, go soap up and a wipe up. The man Michael. I got never do it. I got stay out the 3 days. Them disturb whatever them go put on them.
Yeah.
So anyway, the Sunday morning now, the chalice every time I meet him say, Jano Star, this is the last time. Cause so him talking them have this kind of dry murder. They talk Jano Star. And they turn over again a sign. Anyway, I'm like the chalice and it never turn over that time there. I'm left and I go over Mexico. Cause I had auntie over Mexico. I over there, I pick them there. So me go over there. So me did a little while with them, and when me I come out now, me reach at the gate, my auntie run me dog and say, Lorraine. And me I say to my man, she can't for no man. And she come catch me, I stop at the gate and she come and she say, tell Tony say the peace dance where I go. Nothing drink, nothing smoke, nothing from nobody. So when she said that red flag guy should have made him done, I get it already. She said she get a dream, say them I got drugs him at the dance. And me see with me 1 year, I know say it done up already.
You know chalice?
Yeah. I'm say, oh my God. So when me go over there, me not say nothing to him cause me go over there now and him sit down. When me reach back over there, it was like about in the 12, 1 o'clock. I saw him, me stop him sit down at the gate, you know, upon the what you call it, the something where them test the water, where them check the meter.
Oh, the water
meter.
Yeah, man. I have to flip it, yeah.
And the girl, this front time and leave you, wall off her and she have a knife, a flip. No, before that started, him sit down there and me come stand up beside him. And him look up at me with that gaze. Him look out of it like him, you know, somebody when I chance like them drunk.
Yeah.
But at the time, I even noticed it, but to not extend, but that's how him look to me.
Yeah, like him in a different phase.
Yeah, and him look up at me and him say, my cousin, I love you, you know. And I say, I know. And him say, Janos, you're my favorite little cousin. And him say, enough thing me tell you. And me not hear it back. Enough thing them tell me. Why me I tell you? And I say, I know. And same time I walk when I go stand up on the step because my sister did come at the window. And I stand up on the step and talk to my sister and him still sit down there. And the girl come from around at the back now. And she have the knife and she leave her wall off her and she have flashed the knife and the knife they this close to him face. And it's like him now see it. And me look behind me and I see it and I say to my sister, I say, what a ras if the knife they ever catch him. And him look up and see me when me attack and laugh. And him get up for the last time that I see my cousin. And him hold him back, put him 2 hands on him back, him hip. And him have had a corduroy, a brown corduroy pants. But never forgot, but I remember the color marina where I have had. And him said, Jano Star, I don't feel good. And him walk across the street like one bench in the street, but think him gonna go sit down on it, but then him walk, I don't see which part him walk after that. But him walk like him go sit down on the bench, but him never bother and then him change. I don't know if him going at the yard, side of the yard, the said yard when dead enough. I don't know if him going at the yard, I can't tell you, but at the last time that I see him come, I never going at the dance tonight. All right.
So you never got the dance tonight?
Wait now, the night evening now, that me know say in baby mother did go in a country with Patsy Buckers. And she come the Sunday night, so she don't Anatown. So me gonna Anatown the Sunday evening now. And persuade her, she don't want to come. She said no, she afraid, because she feels say she have there with that man now. Tony I go do her something, but Tony never care about her. I just him pick name care about it. From him breed her and bring her come away, yeah, them never give her rat's ass about her. So I say, Tony not do nothing, man. Tony not do nothing. Because I know say Tony have only part of girl and whatever. I never care about Sharon. So I persuade her and she come. The whole of us sit down out at the stand up out at the yard front of the gate and I watch everybody and I laugh off of the matey, them how much matey are going at the dance and thing. It was a fun that night there with me. We just standing, we are listen to the DJ because I tell you the Errol short time could DJ, you know.
Yeah, man, true.
We are listen to the music and everything, but we never go in at the yard. The whole of us, some girl that live across the street and me, my sister, Sharon, the whole of it out there. And it was like a fun entertainment for I watch the girl. Because I think Carol did pregnant with her second child that time.
Yeah.
One when Juliet, she did pregnant, two and got the dance. It was a trip that night with me and we not just joke. So we used to sit down and joking and watch them and I say, oh, the girl, them going at the house and we are counting. I say 2 seconds, 3 seconds.
I said, I get to
we said, you know what them do? We kind of enjoyment but so we could have get some joke.
Yeah.
So anyway, the morning now about 5 o'clock we wake me up kind of queuing. Even though the sound I play now, I go sleep, I go in about 12 o'clock, I sleep out right. We wake me up about the 5 o'clock now is one little girl she had me, I know where she'd come from here, so up her house, so she always come, she was about she could have more than 10 and 11. Used to come sleep with Tony. So the night he must get her to this boy where they live side of me, the next room from me. Lance, he didn't name Lance, but in their mother, they live up the street. I mean, I know which part around a Penn Street or such, them say she did live. So in gear, it looked like Tony give him the girl for go sleep with. And the baby mother raised key and say, from about 5 o'clock in that wake me up, You're not going with no girl, you're not sleep with her today. You're not sleep with her and peer. And he must say, girl, go on your yard, no? Girl, go on your yard, no? They say it was a trip. I couldn't sleep from 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
So the morning now when it get about 6 o'clock, me see her running, I come through the gate, I'm here. Wake up the man them, police. I'm here, blow. And from the first second shot, then we don't know who, but them say this boy where the name. When the name some one of them name, me live across the street. Them say me go out Cuba, go learn for fire 16. Me don't know how true it that was. But them say him, them give the 16. And them say if me the fire even one shot, everybody do that wake up. But me know me never asleep.
Yeah. So
after that one shot, the fire know a peer shot, and when I time me have my thing said the shot, they got us fire and done. Look it like a rain shot. Me have to knock my sister door and I say, Sonia, let me in and me have to pick them, go over the front room. Me and my son about 6 months, because I'm born in June, I'm born the 8th of June, 1980, and that was 81. That was the 1st of June, 81. So I'm still little, like 1 year old. So, me now with my brave self, open the front window with my baby at the side and say, after car police car park right at the car, with this pussy eye police boy, wings round at the side, And I say, me open the window and say, officer, don't shoot up the house, baby, in here. And him say, get low. And me lap back the window and lay down, part of me and the picnic them, because I say, everybody lay down. And I correspond with Angela with fear picking them cross the other side of the house with fear baby father in there. So we start pinch up the pick them and before that, me and Sharon down at the bed before me make my sister open the door. She under the bed a tremble out Tel Aviv, go me a fear hold her down and I say, I don't love the bad man and I them thing woman with the bad man I forgot through. I say, Tappy. If you hold her down, the girl just a trim blog away, so I have the bangle and panara. I say, take them off of your hand.
Kind of nice.
Yeah. So anyway, after when me tell my sister to open the door, I will go over there now. So when them start fire the shot in the house now, I said, Jesus king. I say, pinch up the pit, my son, no ball and make nice. And my sister pick them in there, my kids them in there. And I say, Angela. Then when them start fire the shot, I say, police, I say, officer, pick me in, I start balling. So no, come out. And I say, Angela, this is what you are going to do. Me don't know me brave so. Me never frighten, me never shake or not. Me say Angela. Cause me know say fear be your father and then wasn't a bad man. So me say Angela, put the pin them in front of you and tell Sack to come out in my underpants alone. And you they be make him they behind the pit them and you they behind him. And the whole of we are gonna come out, line up and the whole of we are gonna come out same time. So we line up through my pit them and my sister pit them and we say when we stop at the door, we say Angela ready and we come out, the whole of we come out same time. And them say we forgot them put we across the street. Them put the whole of we across the street. You know we know the girl them over there, so we in them house. And peer shot of fire. The girl named Angela now, with her baby father, I tell her to come out naked. When I sit down at the house now, I observe her, you know. She keep looking for me and look for my sister, and then she turn her head like she want to cry. So I watch her for about 3 times, I see she do it, and she look for me with a sad face, and she look for my sister, and then she hold on her head like she go cry. I say, Angela, why you keep looking for me and so like you go cry, and then you look like you go cry? She says, if me tell you, no, I go believe me. Because she's a quiet girl, you know, soft-spoken and everything. And when we talk loud to her, it look like it scare her.
Yeah.
So I say, me nah go. She said, if me tell you, no, I go believe me. And I say, oh, you mean you not go believe you? What? And she said, no, go believe me. And I say, all right, Angela, we are going to believe you. And she said, Tony dead and Pampado dead. And then put him in the yellow car and drive with the car. I say, Angela, I lie, you tell. And she said, same thing, no, I go believe me. I say, well, all right. I say, all right, I go believe you. What happened? She said, she did the window and watch. And she said, them Tony dead. And then put him in the yellow car and put Joe Pampado. Pampado was a tailor guy. He lived in the yard next door on the other street. He wasn't a gunman. But him love parade, come over the yard, come parade them. That time we never know say Michael did. And I say, me never feel no way. Me never feel like, I want to tell us, Tony dead and nobody in the family don't cry, my Michael did. We just feel it, them gone, or we never cry, we never, we not strength him. You know, because we know the kind of life we him live, and we know one day it's going to end.
Because you know I saw it go on them thing there.
Yeah. My auntie now, when everything done, so my auntie I said, them kill off the whole of the car. Me and my sister, they live in the yard of the pick of them. She said the whole of them dead, but we, not never happened to we, you know. But people tell it like idiot Marley, no, she never tell nobody say we did in the yard.
But she wasn't there.
This saga where we go to strong like talk for fear behalf. Yes, she's right when she say the minister them and Tony Spalding. All of them know about it. Tony Spalding that they had to set it up. And then the plan was for Bonnie Night come to bring the spliff. When him dead, him drunk. If him never drunk, he would have get way. But me blame it on the thing where them do. Still, them shouldn't go do no bloodbath and him shouldn't wash it off. The only one who never took water touch them skin and hang. Because and all of them for go away. The three of them for go away. That's why they go do the bloodbath.
Forgot foreign.
Yeah, and I got go and left them see him before the funeral. It's like the wait for the funeral.
But she say I remember and see if I got anything, but him did still on the cellar.
Yeah, she don't know where she know.
Yeah.
She dead.
Yeah, cause I tell her, I say, him kick out Michael, you know though.
Ori man, come on.
No, she said.
Nobody couldn't come out. Nobody couldn't come out. I couldn't go in because soldier black off everywhere. My brother would have been dead too, you know.
If him did that,
my see him brother will say, you know, him begs Tony the shoes, but him say, no, him a go over. In the night, so him say, come out and go away. Go over, because I live in Mexico. Even this youth, where I live down at the bottom of Love Street and the other street near Pegasus, him say, I never sleep in there too. And him left and go down in the yard.
But can you know say Tony Welch in behind it though, you know though.
Yeah, the one you can't tell me. My brother tell me so them the car drop on him, you know. I mean, never discuss it with nobody. About 3 years ago, I tell my sister. When I tell my sister,
I'll Peter Metro did know about it. I'll hear my talk now on them thing there. The whole of them know, you know. The whole of them did know on them thing there.
Still, all of them know, cause when they ask my brother why them are go kill two of them, say because them are. Well, me no remember the exact word, but them that's like me that say him a protect Agat. I remember say Agat used to par with the wild bunch them, you know, and used to the wild bunch them used to rape. Me now I say him in night, cause enough of them in night when them not do where the head one, them do like DNA and jungle. Them just follow.
So because
Starky dead because I will got. I protect him. I protect him. I'm man. I'm going to protect him. Cause you know them do I kill him from the end of them time.
Yes. Cause Tony will say I like him, you know.
And him go where I never, and him come back and me say him run with Kemar from up there.
Willie I got.
Yeah.
True.
Kemar a par with garden man.
Yeah, but you know say but then I'm told him come from, you know.
Oh.
Willie I got.
Well, me don't know if I got come from then I'm told, but me know him father have a wolf a pick me dog and Rima, cause me meet some of them when me there California.
But him never help none of him family either.
Him not help nobody just like us Starky though. Not even him mother. Me say all I'm funeral or somebody else, them a push up like I'm mother. Somebody have to say no. I share I got mother. Them treat woman like dog.
Boy, me live with my mother when me a big man and them thing there. Big man when me a
if
police.
My mother was alive when me come and find my mother would have live like a queen.
Yeah man, my mother live with me as a big man and them thing there. You understand? I live in a foreign, me live with my, you understand what I'm saying?
Suppose me tell you something. My sister when me used to come, you know, I got to have a sister named Marcy, one boy named what she say named Jackie, I think like I saw kill. And when my sister know the whole details, and she said the boy them come back, come talk, cause I got him really a bad man, you know. I got was a stick man, him not really a bad man.
Him just used to there, him used to,
but true, him come a foreign and him have the little money now and so. Him could have pay a man for do, cause I pay the boy them for kill the boy we kill him sister. When my sister tell him about it, me nearly drop. I say, you did it? Yeah, no, but the man didn't come back. But two night, then I talk about it, and she said, the boy, them broke the window and go in there, because you know, them all hopeful house, they don't know, a Wackland,
true.
So the boy in that sleep, and him girl, boogie niece, and the boy, she said the boy, I'm going there, they going with the red light, and then when him wake up, like as him wake up and see the light, boom, he may drop back.
Them lick him.
Yeah, and them just drop the window and come out, and the girl take up the gun and carry her uncle. They say you did it.
Them. But you know say film that still do it. Come from the woman I betting shop, you know, where them kill Tony Starkey. The betting shop man in time them they kill 3 man where Tony Welch did kill in front of the betting shop after them go kill the woman where the same woman where Marlena say that Michael killed the woman because
I don't know which year that one there, but I don't know if it's a different one from when we.
No man, I eight that happened that remember said that happened 80, you know. That happened the woman when we kill her betting shop and them thing up a jungle and them thing. That thing we can't because of the Tony with cousin. That's why Tony with the dead man in time. You know Tom Levene where you said that Admiral Town.
Enough police in there that the man in there, you know.
Yeah man, then a Tom Levene and Tony with I told them do all like.
Hey, one at the time.
You don't remember Tom Levene? Tom Levene.
One at the time when we in the house, Benji come in there and him look at me and say, "Yeah, him no fall. You told the thing." I said, "No, me don't live in I'm granny yard, a Granny Street."
But the man Starky was friend.
But Benji know the whole of it, but me I try take with myself, deny him right there. So I said, no, me don't live in our granny yard, a girl in the street.
Yeah, but him and Starky a friend and George Pang.
Yeah, so anyway, him look for sure and I say, you know, baby mother, she I try say no, and I say, wait, him say, where your address? She I try give my address out of East, but then they say you too fucking like come here and him take her out and carry her. Me hear peer shut a fire, me swear so she dead too. But she got jail, I must have did it for 1 week. When she come back, she tell you say Benji carry her around at the back of the yard. And when she say Errol shot her wall in belly, and I say a ball, and I say me Errol shot her, you know, the DJ. And then when everybody, the body them gone and everything, and me going to the yard the day, you know. The yard right, you know, that's why we couldn't live, nobody couldn't live. We couldn't live back in the yard after that day.
Yeah, man, they all for blood.
The board, the flooring tear up. It was something. When me look on the ground, a pair ear me see, and when me take this a stick and touch the skull. So when she tell me say him turn on the 60, me I say, oh, that's why I see the skull them in the yard with the ear pan it. I say, Jesus Christ. All the youth them in the front of the yard where them take up the body them ball them move out of Jonestown same time. And them youth them live there, but them wasn't gunman, them work.
All the people living at the place that are good people and them thing there, but boy.
And me have 2 cousins live up in Angola where them born and grow in the sun, them a teacher.
And them still live the same, yeah?
Yeah, them still live the same way. I have a great niece already. She moved down to the waters. She got to school and she have a much subject at work. My niece friend them used to tell her, say, when your niece got when she come out a morning time, and it look like she buy everything what she need when she come in. She don't come out back.
Because
yeah, the people come from the jungle, liar, doctor, Indian chief, everybody. Cause even one of Spratters, Sophia's sister, a liar. She did there with Spurline when we used to go up. They go check them.
So she not a picnic for him.
For who?
For Spurline.
No, she never have no picnic because she not go high school. And she tell her say she go be a liar from there, from she go school.
So what she a liar Jamaica now?
Yeah. She live up there. They made by a house and up there she live.
You know, so Spurline live in Connecticut though.
I don't even know where it become him.
Yeah man, he live in Connecticut man. But you know, so all of them boy them are criminal to do.
I don't know none of them connection, you know.
Yeah man, theme boy.
I never, although I live them, I never make it my point of duty to push up myself and know people. Oh, me know stir them and my little sister too. She little, she know, she walk around and she know things. we used to stand up at 8th Street and we used to have this lady yard where used to live a girl and she brother did get the house for her. She still living there. Murdy. And when we go up there, up at the front, go check Murdy at night time. My sister we said, Lorena, one day in the blue shirt at him name, so and at him name, so and at him name. So I saw me know a few of them. I never interested for know them.
But he come out saying, say the night at the dance. We don't know how truth it is and them thing there. Him say Benji, may I send the voice note on them thing there. Him say Benji did I dance with Starky. Starky a fire Fiend Benji gun and Benji a fire Starky gun.
You see, me can't tell you so that happening at the dance because I never go in at the dance. But me never hear no shot never fire at the dance tonight.
Well, so you see, you understand? Because I know so me never hear no shot on them thing there.
We out there, we not hear no shot fire. So let me tell you, a lot of people exploit Tony death, you know, because I know people used to keep memorial every year.
And make money off it. True.
And we don't get, them never one day look for one of the family member and give them $1. And we know after that, people used to keep memorial every year for you. So them just use the name for keep them dance and make money. But it is well, I feel say at time now, you know, I'm dead and gone him for rest. If him soul can rest, make him go rest, you know.
But you know, yeah, you see, just like how him shot and him thing that, you know, say him have a daughter when a police come from Tivoli.
What?
Yeah, man, him have a daughter.
Let me tell you something. Hey. Somebody me have a friend tell me, say Tony have a daughter.
When a police?
And And I know if she a police or not, but Tony, let me tell you with Tony now, everything him tell me, because me never know Swan. Me never know when Joanna breed, and me never know him come tell me, come a girl, she say, my daughter down behind HTB bakery there, so. And he make me know. I say, we never know if Sharon, when Sharon breed, and him tell me and bring her come at the yard. Him never did ever hide that from me. Him never did ever hide that from me.
No, may I tell you, man, him have see him like how him look, like how him face round and everything. All the girl, her ear, she have long ear to one them thing there. She name Karen Tingle. She come from Tivoli. Is the same like how him did call, or so she did call her. Andrew Pang kill her, you know. Andrew Pang from Grand Spen, and some Adams them kill him. She named Karen Tingle. She used to there with my friend on name, my virgin on name Nelson. She used to there with him on them thing there.
Me have a friend where used to live I get to know them up here. She tell me say Tony have a daughter where live over it come from where them call over there so
Cross the waters?
Yeah, but over the water there so where that's the name? Cumberland.
Now cross the waters, man. Yeah, Cumberland. Right beside Independent City. Yeah, man.
Me never meet them, and somebody else to tell me say my daughter live up a jungle too. But him not tell we, cause him have no reason for hide them. So him want we know him family them. Him pick them if him have them.
But you don't. I want to. Well, she said she said She said about two times she remember seeing him and them thing there. Tivoli she come from, you know, she was police. She named Karen Tingle.
Sometimes them sleep, a man will sleep with you for a year, give him a little one piece and see him again and I pick them. Me don't know I fit them, me hide it from him.
True.
Because in that I will live in Anatole, she don't have him name the granny wouldn't make Joanne register the picnic because at the time him never get Joanne nothing. She said, the granny said, since she take care of her, but him love Swan and him know a Swan and pick the car the Friday before him didn't send me to Anatole go for Swan and him have a ride up and down on the bike the whole Friday. From me bring her.
But may I tell you say that the girl when a police and them thing that may I tell you she she did there with a man who have money, and and she shut him up,
Oh yeah, sir.
Yeah, man, shut up the man. She have picnic for him, man, and move in the house, with the man and his wife uptown, The police woman, I pay, I pay the man pay £100 for kill her. And that's what £100 dead. Cause she a police and them kill her in her uniform. She named Karen Tingle. She did that kind of one cold piece of girl, man.
Well, me hear Marlene say something about the whole of them are same father lie. That part is a lie. When Enid there with the Tony father, when Tony don't know him father, when Enid a breed with Tony, him go away a foreign and him not come back.
Oh, that's a Marlene him father?
No, Marlene him father named Sidney McLeod. Me know him. When we come back at town, come live with me, so I'll come a girl in street when Simon up, they come give Simon money, so me know him. I think him dead about 71, so.
Yeah.
Or 70. I remember between 71, 72, 73 him dead from cancer.
So I fear him sister she used to live with.
Yeah. She have him have a teacher sister, used to teach a Central Branch. Cause even when Jamal did come in, she used to be the head of the Jamal over Central Branch. And we used to go there. Me and my sister. I used to go there and she was the teacher. The one who control the Jamal class. So when Michael get big, cause him pass film exam with them, Michael educated boy, him can speak Spanish and French fluently, Yeah,
that you said. Just like the brother will come from Junior Lane, named Trevor Bennett. The one that killed the judge out of East. Him speak Russian, Russian and Spanish fluently.
Yeah, because him, and him.
He used to go to KC too.
Yeah, when him either third farm or fourth farm, him decides him now, cause where them used to do, you know, them used to tell him, cuss them and tell them about them dirty criminal family. So it look like it them something they used to burn him. So one day, we never know him either. Cause when from them little, them father give them to the auntie, so we never know them. We don't know of them.
Oh, that are Michael. Uncle Tony alone, you know.
Yeah, my Tony and Simon. Me never ever remember it. Remember the little white one. Them when they made little and on a back a while. But then me never follow my auntie. But my brother used to follow my auntie go look for them. Some Sunday evening. When I'm gonna tell you about now.
No, you not talk. So when Michael I got school in a third farm and them I tell him about him criminal family.
In a third farm or in a fourth farm, him left and come a girl in street and him never tell me why, you know, him ask me the time he did live down a Lizard Town. So me carry him down a Lizard Town. You know? Him carry him a Lizard Town and when Marlene and the auntie come there and I ask.
So Michael.
Ask him. Me tell her I don't know where him there.
So why you never tell them?
Because me hear my tell my granny where them do.
Over school.
Treat him.
Oh, okay. Oh, man. Oh, so are the auntie help drive him where and drive him in a...
I tell him about him criminal family, them like, you know, and
them are look, them are, so
if them grow him and never mention them, he would have grow up and probably be something, you know, other than that.
Oh,
when them are telling about him criminal families, like him want to know them.
Yes.
Him want to know him other set of family when, you know, cause them never, them from the father take them and get to the auntie, you know, him sister, you know, them not make them come look for Enid, you know. They never go look for Enid.
Oh, so although him was them father, him behave, although him sleep with Enid and him thing, him no want the pit them come round Enid. Cause I wish I should live.
It was alright. Him have at three of them him have Enid and female, Simon, Michael and Marlene. Him take the two biggest one, Marlene and Michael, and give sister. That time them was picnic, them was like a picnic. That time we live a man in ZELLE when the contraction they go on. But we know of it because we hear a mother in and everybody and them talk about it. So we never get for them, we don't grow up with them like how we grew up with. We had a cousin them and do all with their girl in street together and play together.
Like big yard and yeah.
We are Simon and you know grew up together and them something. So when she attack about the whole of them are same father, that's a lie. Tony never ever liked Sydney. Yeah, because him go like him them go like them. And him, you know, me all the time here, so like him make a fine for box him down. For
box down, Sydney.
Yeah. So when she attack her crap, she don't know nothing. She don't know nothing.
Cause you should say boy, in time our father got jail and them thing there. Him got prisoner Spanish Town for beat up a man. And at them time, the fear mother get involved with the next man, and I saw him come by the name Tingle.
That's a lie. Auntie, this man breed in it, and him come a foreign, and then him not come back to Jamaica. Just like my grandfather breed my grandmother with our first daughter, with my first auntie, and she know him. My first auntie know him. When him go with our foreign, and when him come back, my grandmother pregnant with Auntie Enid. That's a sailor man picnic.
Yeah.
So him come see her with the belly and him dead for a while and she register name Pete. Because him own the picnic. That's how them man they genuine in them back then. Then before him go back, him sleep with my granny again and my mother pregnant with my granny, with my mother. Him go back before my mother born, so my mother don't know my grandfather.
Oh.
But my auntie named Pete same way, cause me say when I get big, me question my granny, you know, I say then Auntie it look different from my mother and our mothers.
What's she say?
Then she say, cause we know the difference, you know. We know say she a white man pick me. So me said to her, so them time me about 10 when me a question my granny, you know.
Yeah.
Cause me used to play in my auntie here, so me used to comb my granny here and play in her ear, and while me a comb her ear and I pick out her grey hair, me a question her. So me say, then auntie need name Peter and the three of them named Peter and auntie need father different. She say, when Mr. Pete go away when our mother's little, she get pregnant with auntie and when him come, she pregnant. So him just own the belly, same way, and you know, and before him go back, she pregnant with my mother and him never come back.
Why? Jamaica.
But those days, but you know, back then, you know, we enjoy our childhood and thing, you know, we did have club meet and all them thing. They go, you know, we meet different people, various people, because whole heap of people used to come in our yard. Rima people, garden people.
Them time you could have got anywhere. Nobody not do nothing on them thing there.
Yeah, after 72 election, the border draw, and we can't go no, we can't go this year, we can't go this so. But me anyway, me want go, me go, you know, cause my baby father, when the femme mother coming out of a garden, she used to there, you know. And right at Siago Boulevard from building 19. And me used to do, me never used to ride and go in a garden, although me live up a jungle. I go straight in there.
You know,
and one evening, I come up and I come in and I see them a beat one girl, the pure pickaxe stick, I beat the girl out of 8th Street. And I thought, when me cock me ears, because I ask no question, you know.
Yeah.
Me cock me ears, them I say, somebody in a bus drive past Spanish Town and I say, I go in a garden. You meet the bullshit.
That you say?
Bullshit. Yeah, me saying myself, bullshit. They make I go in a yard to, I go in a yard to, that's why they say, I don't couldn't on a bus and see nobody I go in another yard.
Lie the matter. You know, say nobody likes to like ghetto people. Especially women them. You know that though?
So from that, me catch my friend now and me used to walk. One day me I walk go through Lizard Town. And say, me I go in a garden now, me I take the back. That time I long to me no know around the sun, but me just me instinct I tell me for going on. And when me cross over one bridge and me look, me stop. And it's like deja vu, cause it's like this on a change. Remember around the sun, me a little girl, a 3-year-old, a peer dread used to run there and smoke chalice. And when me go across the bridge and stand up, I stand up for a while and I'm like, oh my God, this look like
memories.
Like it not change. It's like, you know, it's because remember when I was a little girl, we used to walk, you know, we live at back a while, we used to go around this and a peer dread used to run this and smoke chalice. And it's like, it not change. And before me even go, I saw me I go know Danny Banton, you know.
Yeah.
One day I walk, I go through, I take back roads and I go in a garden now. And them always have the bingo table in the Lizard Town. And I go through Lizard Town for go over there. And him stop me and I talk me and I say, why you look nice here? And I say, and him say, where you come from? I say, I come from out Harborview.
You don't tell him say a jungle?
No, sir.
You know
I never tell nobody say I live a jungle yet. They always live a Harborview or uptown. So him say, boy, I'm like you know. I say, and him say, where I go? I say, I go check on my family up building 19, past Siago Boulevard. And him say, one true. Me know everybody know much because she sir at the lunch lady at the Namtown school. I don't say that me never even know say me that go up there. One day I go there and she say, Lord, you know we make them people come at me. I say, me never know. Me never know him that go come. Me just a pass and him say, me don't know him. And him talk to me and me just tell him, tell him say, up here so me I come. Me never expect him to come up here.
I look you look good, you want to come check you, man.
Well, me see him all come a dance on a town, a superstar, and me hide out right him. Me don't want to know them the people because me know who him was. I him kill Curly Locks.
Oh,
And it just not too long.
Oh,
It
paper
was
man.
about a month after him kill Curly Locks that time.
Paper man, you attack.
No man, him Danny Banton. Danny Banton kill Curly Locks, man. Him kill him mother.
And then a paper man, what them say a paper man kill Curly Locks?
Me no know about that. From Curly Locks, then me know say Danny Banton kill him.
You know the police used to that then I'm turning him Piggy. And he was a bad police to man. And him and Curly Locks was friend and them thing. Him talk about it and all them. Because I know the man from a little youth, you know, him used to have a S90.
I tell you something. Sometimes some people tell you things. That's why I'm here. She named that tell you say you have to fact check thing. You have to check thing. Because even sometimes I listen to the blog of them. Like all on the spot and them man them not just run with a story, so them make sure them get all of the details before them say them put out them story. But because people will know the truth now and know the in-depth of the story.
Yeah.
And you have put out and them know say that's how it go. Them can't tell you, but sometimes some people can't enough time to see people put up story about Tony. I mean, just brush it off.
Yeah,
so bullshit.
Alright, so as you hear now them thing, so you hear the reason why we say he was a rapist because he used to have sex with girls under 16. You understand?
I never said like some of them look like a baby.
Then you know say I'll spur line. You know say them did lock up all spur line couple times. Well, a carnal abuse or rape, you know. So that's why you understand. That's why them say he was a.
But me, you wanna know how them little girl they could have take them big man. They remember my first time me did scared to rat. Then I jump on a ball.
Them no business, cause them want to. You don't know them stay. Them want to say boy a bad man. Them there with man where kill people. What kind of thing? Oh, and I saw it go right now and I get to one of them thing there. Them rather for do that man where kill people. Them know say them lifespan is short than for talk to a little man where do a good work.
Right.
Yeah, because you know say
me listen to enough of the story them, and the only gunman me hear talk the truth, and I threw my crackhead make him say him kill people. Me listen to the whole of them, all enough of them for ream, all both. Everybody say them not kill nobody.
No, you talk Joe Dog.
You are the only one me hear say him kill no people.
Yeah, and you see it and not even teeth him have now. So
no, but if he never say him name Joe Dog, would know him coming know the whole family of them and them brown. When me know Joe Dog him brown and good looking, when me see that me say who that?
I crack him crack up, man. Crack him and I beg and I can't believe a man like that now. I beg.
Sin and blood upon him.
Yeah, man. I beg on them thing there. And you know, say George Pang, say he might only man a George Pang not really give nothing on them thing there, though.
Him not give nothing?
No, sir. You understand? The only thing when him just get free reign for walking in a place. And talk how much people he used to kill. And them just like, you understand? I mean, I say, so what was the sense that you understand what I'm saying? Can't not get
all those people when them killed there that never make no sense.
No sense, none. I say that I think when me eat. I look here, you see me, you know, this is my philosophy on them thing there. I believe say people have disagreement on them thing there, you know. But why you feel say because me say something and you don't like it, you fi kill me. Yeah, you understand? You not give her a life, but yet still you know want for dead. And you go say boy you're just like what you say on them thing there. You say when the police them kill him, you never say boy, say boy I murder him. You say boy him choose a life there and him know you understand?
A life there and him make him dead. I feel sorry for them, so them dead.
Then your family man no care what happen.
But me nah go ball and tell no lies. So when we hear, cause him see him one. Him when them go fire shot down and remark again, them come, me hear him come. On turn on the radio,
Yeah man, cause I'm on for hear news.
Yeah, so we never go be hypocrite and say, boy, I'm innocent and way. Some of the things them when name call upon is really lie.
Well, that's between me and them thing that may I tell you this not only as a youth, may I tell you as a old detective and them thing there. Enough time a man get at. Let me tell you, same people them in get on them wicked, you know. Them put them. You say a man at as everything. Them say him.
Let me tell you something.
I tell you,
one day me got station, one boy, the boy Ratcliffe, me get bad after a while. I'm a baby father kill him, lady. You know Ballad?
No, I don't know him.
A Ballad, he kill him. After me come a Friday, but him that push up himself to be bad. When me did so one day, me say him beat up my niece and me I go to him about him run me down with a big sword and look at him around now one woman shop. So when me I go now, me just walk and go in a station and me sit down and Len kind of see me nervous to them. I say, I'm soft spoken and him say, what is it? And me say, yeah, is it it? And him say, come on, talk to me. You think we know things? We sit down at the station here. We don't go nowhere. It's the same people them from our friend and family come and tell me what's going on. You think we just go kill people, so? It's people come tell us who is who and what them doing.
Yeah.
Boy, I say my family them they, you know say. The war start at jungle, where the jungle man them out at jungle, and my brother first get shot. Yeah. The night, me go up at jungle, because me go up there, I forgot to tell my sister, so I get the money for buying a food for the picnic them.
Yeah.
And me I walk on Love Street, and me look and see my brother stand up at a Crook Street corner. I never want him to see me, because I never have no money for him. I walk up and go up and come down. Them time them live down at William Street with the and mother. I come down and when I come down, I sit down front of the dresser. I'm here, blow. I mean, no, because you know, when they get there, you can't tell the shot them mechanic, you know. And it's like, when the shot them a fire, it's like me, I feel them, you know. That time my brother get shot, you know. Peter Dog shoot my brother.
You kill him?
No, my brother never did. Them take him up on him guy, you see.
So when shoot your brother for?
All right. My other brother now will tell me when me see him, because them have to run with the night, you know, because dead, Alien Murray dead, everybody, and only killing go on the night. But we are going to happen now. Me did see Peter Dog down on a town the day, you know, because him and Fanga, them was friend, that I want to DNA brother. And they made runway, you know, say, DNA mother, they made runway and a town, they made live. So me and my sister did kick off and me and live with mamas. You know, we are growing them family, the from way back, the whole of their craft market, the whole family, you know, we like family friend.
Yeah.
So, me did I stay at mama's and I go down and I sit down front of the dresser when they shot them a fire. The day me I pass Banana Street and when me look down Roslyn, I see Fanga and Peter Dog a walk a come up Roslyn, but me not put nothing to it. Me never put nothing to it. You know, they're my friends, so me just have walk. Me never have no, and I'm a mind or what. Yeah. So the night me go up a jungle, now I miss. Me never know say my brother or nobody and nothing.
So what you and him brother did that? What kind of what between you and him brother?
I'm gonna get to that part. I'm gonna show you people wicked. Panga girlfriend, Bunny girlfriend. That a one girl named Joyce. She did Anna Joyce. What's she name again? Oh God, what's she name again? She dead now with AIDS. Jai. Her name was Jai. The whole of them live on the one upstairs building. And me, you know, say everything plan out the day. I mean, never know me did for dead the night, you know. Me did for dead the night. I don't know, cause this boy live on Oxford Street when he am 9 head. Me and him used to chat up, talk up, but him there with one of the sister.
Oh, what you mean? He and him used to go out with things.
Reason? Reason.
But him did like you.
Well, out of the whole family of them, I'm the only one me talk to. Me and him come talk to me about the girl, cause she and him there, but she go like say she and him not there.
Me know them woman there.
Him used to control a yard over sleeping road, like the people them they are foreign, and I used to caretaker it. So over there them used to go sleep. But she have a baby father up I think he been live by one of the building. Him still there, the pirate. So she think she want go like say she and pirate still in a soap, but she used to go sleep with pirate too. So when she breed with the second picnic, you know, she has say a pirate pick, but the picnic look just like him. Look like 9 head, but she never get a picnic to 9 head, but 9 head, no film picnic. So enough time used to come round me and I talk about it, you know?
Yeah.
So anyway, the day him come to me and say, him will get a money in the night, him will come buy me a liquor. And I say, I drink. So I say, okay. Nothing, you know, I not think nothing or whatever, you know.
Yeah.
So the night when me come down now, nobody in the area, because we always out on the street under the light, and you know, people or the lady are still out there, and sometimes they might drink, they might play gambling and thing. I mean, not gamble, so me stand up and look. And sometimes my man will come on there, because my man is used to in the big house, so he used to come on there, and you know, me and him out there, if we are going away, we go up on him bike and we ride. But the night him never come, so me go in, and me never hear him come call me, so me sit down front of the dresser now and peer shot, me I hear peer shot like rain or fire. But the more this first set of shot, them like them shot, they cripple me. You know, see, me can't explain it, and me can't tell you, say, anytime anything ever happen, that's something that happened to me. It's like every bone come out of my body.
Yeah.
And me I function, but it's like me can't move. So me there now I'm a little after mama's coming. And mama said to me, say, Lorraine, you know I go lay down. You know, I take off your clothes, I go lay down. And I 3 times remember mama said that to me. Lorraine, you know, I change your clothes, now a new dress you have on.
Mm-hmm.
And me just barely could have wobble. When me get up, I wobble, hold on the side of the bed and the something and take off my clothes and put on a shorts and a top, a marine and throw the frocks somewhere and lay down mama's foot and mama's lay down at the bed front. And there go the boy come, Lorraine. And I say, I don't feel good, me now come. And him there still a call me, think him could have called me still. Mama say, you know, she said she don't feel good because mama was a woman like she protect me, you know, me don't know for some reason. She just did check for me. So mama say, you know, she said she don't saw him going now. So me drop asleep after our daughter them come in and the rest of our pick them come in and we go sleep. The morning about 7 o'clock, papa's that a day the father and he used to live up at the big yard up at Oxford Street.
Mm-hmm.
You hear him come in, do allow him in here sleep, everybody dead up at jungle. He and Murray dead, Ray, and everybody jump up. Tuku keep dead, you know, Tuku keep dead. Mr. My brother not dead. So we race gone, all we are go down road, all we are go down Rosalie and I go a mad and I go hostile them the plan. Tuku keep dead. That the tell us the whole of them know the plan.
That's why they must say that, because them know same for dead.
And me and them eat and drink together, you know, and them ears, so them will kill my brother and them not tell me.
I get to people them that man, I saw them see it.
And me did for dead the night, because if me did come out the night, me would have did dead, but me never know, you know. A lucky thing what happened to me and my instinct. Me don't know. Me wouldn't say my instinct is. I
don't say ancestors them man.
No, before that, you know, when my mother dead, my mother gave me, you know. 2 times I dream my mother gave me. She not going at that right now. But anyway. They know how we are run. I go down. I mad. Nobody never come down at the hospital. Nobody not come down. So all we are come up them in my ears. The cookie they took. So I say my brother not dead. And just look at them. I say my brother not dead.
But at them time they not even know that them a pray for him really dead for sure.
And that's what they know who them is now. So me and them are not a friend. Because me and them was friend. Even if them hear something, them could have pinched me and tell me. And if what happened to me never happened to me the night, would have come out and would have dead and them would have just wake up the morning and said, who killed Lorraine? Nobody would know. Them would have known who killed me, but them wouldn't talk. Them would have said Lorraine dead. But me not gonna know say me did for dead that night until 9 years after, you know. Me I tell you, say God good and God great. Me never know nothing, me never think nothing. Say 9 head was a
double agent.
May I tell you, so I call me out for somebody kill me the night and me never even know that, but God just step on my side, cause that never my destiny.
So why that after Starky dead?
Yeah, Tony did that. I tell you, we have know that when our jungle man them get for run out. A jungle it start from my brother get shot. So in the morning now, me stand up out of the gate because I know my sister and my cousin are go pass to go school because them go St. Anne's secondary. So when I see my sister and my cousin are pass, I call my sister, I say, Cynthia, rapping. She said, Key get shot, but him there, you see him not dead. I said, okay. So John them say, John gone.
All them thing in that place when people get
cousin them. Cousin them up a Mar Valley. So me feel safe now. Me know say everything, everybody all right by my side. So me there still and them took a key for them. Every day them get up in a meal at Jeremy. Took a key for them, say my brother now did and him whatever. So after a while now, one day my auntie used to come make Dolly down a Rosalie down my other sister. She is a wicked woman because she knows she up a jungle she there make the Dolly and she go up a Marvel and call one of my cousins named Lassell and tell him to come that a fair grand pit, to come help her make the Dolly them. He might come down now, think say a jungle, she never tell him say a Rosalie she there. He might come down to Zimbabwe, Peter Dog shoot him and kill him. And put zinc over him. When them find him body, them couldn't even pick him up. Them have to just dig a hole and bury the remains same place.
So why Joe Dog kill him?
Peter Dog, not Joe Dog.
So why him kill him?
Because them think say my brother. Them take him for my brother. Cause I don't know. After now, me I don't know the reason why Peter Dog. Because remember say they will have a little set of crew, My brother and Lizard and some other crew, them say I must them go up a Peter Dog mother yard go kill off the whole of them in the house tonight.
Also them blame took a key. So that's why Joe Dog him say me kill off a whole heap of people and them thing there.
No, alright. But I'll explain it again. My brother get shot tonight, but not because the war start from this or from my brother get shot. Now, them go this a first, me not tell it here saying I'm a brother, went like that here from other people. I'm a brother tell me because him did tell it. Him said them step and the crew of them step and go up Peter Dog mother yard. And everybody dead in the house that up Havana. All the little people dead.
So why them did kill? Why them kill the woman? Well,
Peter Dog shoot Keith, so I guess that was the retaliation.
Oh, okay. That's after them shoot your brother now, so them kill Feme family.
Right. So then now Lip and 2 Pint and Lizard and some other crew walk go through the woodland now for go over Jonestown for go shoot. I don't know who them I look for. Over them must have Peter Dog or whatever. The brother say him did have the tall gun.
The M16, yeah.
And him Gito muscle lip or what you call it or 2 Pint. So him say him drop. And him never have the time. Him say him have a shotgun, but Lip have this M16. And him say, through him have the shotgun, him drop back 3 pace.
Yeah.
So that Lip there front and like another man, him say drop back behind so much of them. So like 3-4 people in the front of him. So him say him just hear a shot, fire for him just see Lip and fling around the 16. Fly gone over suckers like when you hear shot you get low.
Yeah.
So him see them see when the and fling like the whole of him chest steer out, So my brother say if him did the frontal lip, him would have did the coffee when him look to it lip chest there in that tall. So the whole of female do that tear off. So him say 2 Pint crawl upon him belly now and go pick up the 16.
So a Peter Dog shoot him.
Right. So after that now, them must scamper away and everybody gone in at them hiding hole and whatever. When him tell me also said because the whole thing is Peter Dog. My brother say Peter Dog with a 16 and go tell Stero. So him say Peter Dog with a 16 when I'm not supposed to have. And Stero said to him, say, if you see me that 16 I'm not supposed to have, go take it from him. So my brother take this gun from him.
That was like In 2016
That
from
was
Peter Dog.
right. So that was like maybe the Monday, Tuesday, 2 days before my brother get shot or so. And I remember
So the 16 was a part of his system, but so how Peter Dog get it?
All right. Remember I said Peter Dog now start over Jonestown and I don't know how they split up, but they're more over Jonestown side and Jungle Man, them over Jungle. So if my brother say, if me don't know how him know say him not supposed to have it or what, but I guess you have to know that click if you know that. So when him tell Stereo now, say him have a 16 and not supposed to have Stereo, so him go take it from if him know say him not supposed to have it. But that piss, me don't know. Like I say, some bad man when hungry with them gun, you know what I mean? You see my brother and my cousin, them can't fight physically and all them something, them not afraid of nobody.
Yeah,
if them see you with something and them want it, them a take it any means necessary.
Yeah.
Them not fear. So wings, no, in wings plan my brother the night over the complex. When them call this over the plaza they take. The bottom side where the clinic they are shooting, but my other little brother did see him when him shoot when my brother get shot. So when them a tell me I say, oh no, say him say my brother when him Peter did see when say him shoot him. So then him say I about 2 days after him see a little boy, that's my brother, you know. See a little boy with a glasses. And I said, Peter, I guess wear dark glasses, you know. So him see him with the glasses and him take it from the little boy. Him never know say a Peter dark glasses, but when Peter dark come to him tell him say him not take nothing from him, so him not give him, so that piss him off. So I must say, so now me see the day when him come down Anatone, because if he get a gun that day, them I said my brother would have been dead from in the day.
Oh, so him go Anatone will get borrow a gun.
No, him not get the gun and him go down a matches lane and the man not go give him the gun to kill my brother. If him have, remember if a man give them gun, them have to tell you have to tell them what you have to do with it, you know.
If you go rob or what?
Yeah, so nobody not go give him a gun for my brother. No. So me when me see my walker come, no, I saw every the puzzle fit together. When me see man Fanga come from down Rose Lane, I down a matches lane, them go for gun, but them not get none. Cause that the girl them say if me get gun, my brother would have did. Maybe him would have seen me and kill me too. Cause me and I told me not know where I go on. I me never hide. So I saw that the war start now. But the jungle man, them run out a gun, run out a shot. So I'm fortunate that I remember saying I don't only, what you call it, police and soldier did a fight with them too, with the big bow man them.
Oh, yeah, because true George Pang.
They would have soldier fight with it.
With Bibo, with Bibo. So, but your brother was part of Bibo one at a time?
Eh?
Your brother name part of Bibo one at a time?
Which one of my brother? No, so my brother wasn't part of the gang.
How are your baby father? I want your baby father is a part with them.
We start Bibo, you know. Remember this guy name Twiddly. Twiddly my name. Him got foreign and when them came. Bibo start before Starky did, you know, they get the name Bibo. And
Bibo pass it.
Tell them so when them are heal up them one another, them say Bibo, and them they are try figure it out Bibo, Bimbo or whatever till them end up with Bibo. And I saw it come about that before Starky did dead.
Yeah.
So them get a name them before him dead.
Because George Pang claim ownership to it, you know, Bibo pass it.
Well, but me tell you, when the war started, you know, Tony Welch in their jail, George Pang in their jail. George Pang never part of the war there, in their jail. When him come now, because them get the whole of the gun them, you know, because the youth them used to hide the gun them over jungle, you know. The whole of them come over from Bibo side, so them
know which one the gun them there.
Yeah, them carry the man, them go show them, so the man them get the whole of the gun them.
Oh.
So when him come from jail now, the man them hand over the gun them to him.
To Welch or to Pang?
Tony Welch couldn't come back in there. Pang. Them said Tony Welch have to come back in there. Him couldn't come back. Him got foreign. Him go away. So them hand over the gun them to him. I mean, I lie me I tell cause me did there with one of them, so me know everything up front where they go on. So where may I miss out?
No, you said when Pang come back from jail, them give them all of the gun.
Yeah, them hand over the car, them get all of the gun them all one time when me go back up a jungle go live before me come a foreign. I see my brother in the one night. I said, what you doing here?
That's after him get shot?
No man, that's my other brother, my younger brother. That's not the big brother, my big brother. That's the younger one. Proper John.
When them?
Proper John.
When they know?
Him live in Jamaica.
Wait. Him used to that Payne Avenue one night time?
Yeah.
I don't know him, man. Him there somewhere in a Kingston 20. And you know, say the other day me and a man talk about him. Cause you know, suppose I did love him though, and them see him and make him off left Payne Avenue.
Well, him now, them not make him off left Payne Avenue, you know. Me send back for him, cause when I time me get deep. And me come see me in a back to me when me come see me in the lane and I Pier 16 in the lane, daylight. I said, Jesus Christ, John, how you come back to this? Him say, boy, I saw him not no better no day. So me hurry up when me come up back and him tell me say one visa running so go on and me quickly send the money come and say get out of this man. That no sir. So him come a foreign. So when me did down there when me go buy my house and him there jail up in a what you call this so the court, I don't remember what is north or south, but I know I'm there jail this up. And him come, before him come, I say, when him come, me and him talk before him come up, I say, listen, now if you go back in that, you know, you're a big man now, them little boy, I will kill you.
Him still go on with things same here, cause how would them kill female one taxi stand in a doing the park or something like that?
Nobody them not kill fee. My brother is a thief. Him dead and see them kill the man and show the man sell and have the whole palm money. Him thief the man money and so when them tell me I really pop up. So them will take on the dead man, him rob the dead.
Yeah, you see that foreign me there me hear them. Cause people still because look here, me know him good on them thing there, you know. Yeah man, come you see that unspear them thing there.
Him got jail think I like him, but the police never drive down for the man to get you with the dead man money. I don't him kill the man or not. I don't know about the film. Him dead because I know the man because when I dead I used to go over the plaza enough time I see the man. I don't know where me did that.
Hey boy, people wicked, you know, so them say Papa John kill the man no.
No sir. Him dead because the gambling, because them used to gamble out there and them a gamble and him dead when them come kill the man. So him see the dead man pan the ground and know so the man because them used to sell pan and fan, you know. And
the man have money, so him just take it.
Them just take the money off of the dead man and I run with it. So it look like him never run fast enough. The police them hold him. And him got jail. Him never.
So what took Keith there?
Keith dead. Him dead over Payne Avenue. 93. Him dead in a 93.
But him was Rasta, no?
No sir.
To keep, remember, me know him. Can I see him Payne Avenue man and we kill him?
Yeah.
I want boy, wait, let me see. This boy with the name Christopher Brown did kill him, you know. Chris Brown. Yeah, man.
So.
But him did dead still, you know, because we did start him out and them thing there. And the boy who killed the brother was a batty man, you know. Yeah man, when him dead
you said because Keith now him act like say him true him know more like a John tell him say the man left in him give the gun the man said don't make the gun them drop back in the man and when him do him give back the man them the gun so the man them no send don't have no gun. So what them send call him now and him have him head back. Cause them man they not really afraid of nobody and them feel like say true them have them bad nobody can do them nothing. They never really have figure say
I kill him, I kill him.
Hey, the said man will come call him, I walk behind him and lick out him head back.
Then I say, come on, that's why I say I don't know how a man become criminal, because that I one career, you know, where the main characteristic, you have to be dishonest, you have to be a liar, you know. So I know how a man say him and a man a friend and you trust that the man and you know say him a liar.
Because him just feel like such him bad, nobody never ever gonna do him nothing.
No man, that work so on him thing there.
But the car drop on him say my brother left the contract money with him, but the work they done. My other brother said the work they done. But boy,
because after that Papa John enough left.
Boy.
Then they want him for dead after. But you know, say every time when him used to go to jail, Portia used to come when Michael Manley was Prime Minister, you know. Portia did love Papa John, you know. I tell you that, you know. As him go to jail at Unspear, I tell you, she come down there. Them time Michael Manley was Prime Minister, you know. In a 92, 93, you know. And when PJ become Prime Minister now, I saw make she stop come down there, and then after that, him in feel left on them thing there. Because
him tell me same like them, you said them couldn't control them boy there.
Yeah, because them they keep a meeting with their brother when him Jagado and Mr. T and kill them 2 man there and burn them, and that's why him in feel left. Because Portia did love them youth them more than him.
So him tell me say when it no come, him know say she the contract come from, but him say him never meet a tree like, you know, the first man, the second man, the third man, like
yeah man,
the nigga man,
yeah man,
and a tree different. Him know say a tree different. I mean I tell him, you have to have a criminal mind for deal with certain things. Like, you know, so my brother tell me, say one time, in the said lane there, where me come see him in a back to lane there. The room where he live in a. Him say, he live with one like a skittle girl out there. And they said, like the man them plan with the girl for come kill him in the house tonight, you know. And him say, in the lane and the girl come. Papa, you not come in your bed, you not come in your bed. And
I must say that weird.
Him have the same thing like me, you know, like them, like him have a guard too, you know, but I don't know how be a man guard, him not just the ancestor them guard, you know. And him say him out there with the man, him tell her, go on in man, me soon come. And she come out back again when she see, probably you not coming. And him say, go on man, me soon come. And like the third time now she come, him say, all right, go on in there come, but him a walk behind her and she gone in, you know, but you see when him going, it's like him stop in the yard. And when him stop in the yard, him see peer in a walk a come on the other side of the fence, because you know a zinc fence.
Yeah man, that's so back to stay.
And it have a trap door, the fence have a trap door. Him know the trap door, him know say, and him wings behind the house. And see the boy, them are coming, and when them come in, him just go down behind the house and go through the trap door and over the fence and watch them. When them coming, them go in at the house. And
I ask the girl for him.
Them go for kill. But when them, you know, some of them outside now and a little youth, when used to get the gun them for mass. But if they take back the gun from the little youth, them have the little youth out there and them spread out the youth to the same place front time door there. And him say him start run him. I tell me say him run and end up. So him say the man some man, him tell the man him kind my brother was stick man, him know whole heap of people. So him say the man them come with some 16, him have a small gun, a matty. Him say him have the small one and the man them come and them a look and them not see nobody. Them not see nobody. So him say him frost now, you know, and him like him say 2 man with a 60 like them plan now, you know. Cause him know the man them, you know, but him have the shotgun. And him say him bend down, you know, that bend down with your hand over your knee, stoop down with your hand over your knee. And him have the matic in him hand. And him a think and him a say, blood treat, like, you know, you have meds, and I say, boy, look how me if me go in at the house, mother dead. You know, anybody will go through that and see that to that frost.
Yeah.
So him say him there and him have meds, you know, and the man them stand up over him with the 16, you know, and them say them a go up on our works. Them forgive them the gun. And him know say if him hesitate and tell them say them spread him out right there so.
If him never give them the gun.
Right, and him say them forgive the gun cause them a go up on the works. But him know say I lie them I tell them not go up on the works and the gun them want.
And for kill him.
Yeah, no, listen. You have to listen. You have to know the tactics are criminal, you know. Them want the gun. And him know because him is a criminal and think like how criminal think. Him fast think. When them say, give him the gun cause them a go up on the works. Him know say, if him it say no and hesitate, them spread him out cause them two of them stand up over him with the 16.
So him must give them a gun?
So him just get up, see him and just push the gun upon them and say, hey. And them walk away with the gun. And him just go about him business. I never remember when him tell me where him go, but I don't remember where him, I don't remember.
Well, me frightened entire man tell me say boy Papa John still I say me check say the man me check say him gone that foreign because I know say him gone foreign after.
Yeah. At 3 times I send for him and about 3 times get it.
So how him come a foreign like him still come a foreign and go out foolishness?
When him get the first time. Him get let me say the first time it was about let me say 91 91 I think.
Cause him used to run Payne Avenue, you know, him was it done up there, you know.
But with all them things they were reaching him realize him have to leave it out. Cause when me send the money go give him and him get the visa now, he made out
Miss Youngie.
So I don't know she did after because when him come back down, you know, me and him go over there and the daughter they tell us that she did.
Cause she did have a house up to a Jones son she come from, you know, Miss Youngie. And she have a son named Bayer, them kill him, you know. See man them a Payne Avenue kill Bayer dread.
I don't know her, but she seems to be a nice person.
Yeah, and she big and fat and black and them thing there. She know me good and from a little boy and them thing there. Cause they make money out of politics, you know, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Miss Young.
One nice social bill, man. One big nice. What do the girl them? Her pit them look like them not really care it because she have a daughter. And him used to send money come give the woman and the woman used to put in her bank because it look like true her daughter name. And she used to draw the money and bill up for her part of the house. So it look like all that killed the woman when she find out. So she had draw out the money.
Why, I saw get a people stay, you know. You can't, when you come out to money, you can't, you know, so they may kill you for your own thing, though. Even your own family, you know. Right. Them are nice, man.
So, one night time, before I come out far, before I there, I'm not town there now. Sometimes I used to go up a jungle still, after me have my son. For I did. I don't know you don't hear about Ballad.
No, man.
Him come from Anatol. He was police. So everyone of him going to every one of the acid, all of the special team that him going at.
What him correct name?
Lyde Sims.
Oh, Lyde Sims.
Yeah.
Oh, he was criminal, man. Him come from Craigtown.
No, he wasn't a criminal, you know. Him do everything by the book.
No, man, but I tell you, man. Him used to
not come from Craigtown. Him come from Oxford Street in Barn Grove.
Him tell me say Craigtown him come from and him thing.
Him come from Craigtown.
All I'm at, the next police did kill him, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, let me know like I know White Waters, man. Him did bad still though, you know.
Yeah, man, he was a bad police, but one day me see Joe Dog pass and hail him up. Me and him pass and him stop. Me and him stop a whole a reasoning on Oxford Street and him talk and him breath and him say and I hail him up and answer and him in a kind of a sinister smile, you know. Laughing, you know, and him say, think me and our friend ask me if you go in a shot and say if you don't get shot. Them man, although him know the man, the man think him never take police shot and give them no gun.
Yeah, man, I know no man, me not talk them way there and them thing now. Let me tell you still, yeah, alright. Papa John, your brother know about pulpy and them thing there. You say pulpy? I lie the Sims used to do so. Me I tell you, them man they used to go out some things where pulpy send them go do and them thing, them man.
Who is pulpy?
Pulpy one brother where them kill him 2005. Him was one of man we start. Him one of man. He was not bad man, you know, but you know some man in a community where was like peacekeeper and him.
Where him come from?
White Wing.
White Wing, where White Wing there?
White Wing they near to Payne Avenue, man, out of 3 Mile.
Oh.
I want to say like the Sims use a power, man, with pulp with them, man. Them, any thief in, you see, anytime anybody get robbed and a big robbery go on and them thing there, right, it always go right back there, so to pulp it. You understand? But them kill him still.
I know, because him never in the robbery and them.
No, man, like the Sims used to go on. I tell him used to go on with things, man.
I must lately, because I over the man, girl, you know, they said, man, tell him to go to the force when them left school, you know.
The man that kill him?
Yeah, because him baby mother tell me, say, him hurry up and drive and carry her go work, go drop her off, because I sleep with the man, woman. And when him come back and buck up the man now, him start war about the man cut leaf over him yard and for clean up, so him never have him gun pan him go thump the man in him mouth. And the man just, when him walk with the man just give him one in him back, and when him turn on him just give him another one in him chest, him crawl, go in him car, go dead.
Because
Lady was a bully still, you know.
Yeah, man, I want to tell us between me and when him, you know, so the police will kill him and them thing now, because police they don't have to kill him, you know, because Lady Sims is more popular than that the police, you know, because he was a detective, you know, him did bad still low, you know. But them man, although they did bad, then did mix up on them thing. Hey, let me tell us between me and you. Sometimes you know people, but you don't really know them and them thing. You understand? Yeah.
I think never them. I come a friend, because I couldn't stand him, because him have some little ways where one time I say one of the little youth them in the ear, I grab him. I never see that him tell me. The youth must grab him. I know the little youth. Grab him sister chain, because I have a set of sister, a family will live up jungle, sister and brother. The guy never knows say was him sister and Sarah pass for sleeping or and grab one chain, and every day him take set pan the little youth. Every day somebody say you can't don't know. Every day I got to kill him. You know.
You say that a bad detective still doing a whole a boy like the Sims liquor man.
Oh, I mean I him kill Tarzan and I him kill Juicy Badness.
What yeah, but you know, arrogance why him dead and him thing there. Me and the police, between me and the police now in a war and him thing there. You see like how some.
But my girl too, and I have a theme girl. But let me tell you, me come down, you know, me come down, you know, me see him up on mother gate, you know. Me stand up on my sister.
He make him mother still live in a get up. Oh, them do it. I see him so a bigger food, you know, him mother dead down there when she eat. My mother couldn't live in a get from a police or them.
Let me tell you something. Them old people and them now move gone away. Them now move gone away. Them get honestly people them when are used to the bathroom inside and the toilet and then them, the government them give them a paradise not to them, you know. I tell my sister well, say me wouldn't not cure the scheme that I give her for free. Me never gonna live up there. Yeah, because the same piece of people them I kill them one another picnic for no reason, and the same set of people them I come from Girling Street and a town. And them from them go up there, so them just kill them one another, the picnic them.
Yeah man, bad mind.
Me not think a bad mind, I think so they dopey them we go where them throw about the people them in the fire, the spirit them going at them and make them so evil.
Oh, you attack the Iron Street fire.
The arms all killing up where they had the scheme.
You attack the one them with Lenky Ride them and Tony Welch and them people who kill the people. Boy, I tell you. Boy,
I don't think them should have did make house up there, so.
Up a jungle.
over Sliping Road there, where the clinic there. So where all arms house did there. They should have built
hold on. Them, when them build house over there?
From cause some of the people that may live on a town move go up there a long time.
That's after Willie got dead.
No man, that the scheme that they come used to go down there. Let me tell you, see I got it build the house them. Come even on a town, some government house there in a town. So them build up the schemes, but I see I got time it build.
Yeah.
And I say a long time with the scheme bill, man. But if I ask my sister how share them move up there, but me not really know.
Boy,
the scheme that a long time and a paradise to some people, because remember say that the whole the Anatona outside the toilet, you have to go outside the bathroom.
You be in that. Alright, you know, honestly, you know, what is the thing where you have in a bathroom when you stand up on like crate? What them call it again?
Great.
You remember something you stand up in a bathroom for to make it flood, man?
Yeah, remember that when we live with granny yard.
You understand? And when you live in a tenement yard, remember say as boy, you know, a cistern pipe, you have to be there, you know, cause that the bathroom, them, you know, right up to in the night, you know, people are being, you know, in a ghetto, you know though.
Yeah, man. Then when we live in a town and no water no in the pipe, we go up at the school, Shetola Park School, go be at
the pipe.
Yeah.
Well, I get it, but still, I want things.
I don't think ghetto the nice me, no, cause me never like ghetto living. And me tell a youth when me buy my house, me there with my sister. I come from around where you call around there, so hopeful way there, so. And go down there night time. Him there in England and get the pan, him start go down there and get daytime and gamble. And him come up at night time and tell me about why ghetto living. I say ghetto living is nice to me.
No, sir.
They like nothing about ghetto living. But that's why I make sure buy a house. Cause anyhow, I have to go back to Jamaica. I don't want to live in a ghetto.
No, sir. For me left jungle and go police academy as for train. Me never sleep back down there. I want to tell it. You understand what I'm saying? Me never sleep back down there yet. And number one, just like how, you know, the same thing. You see, alright, just like how you say with Toko Keita and them thing, me never talk to no woman in I get a car. But me know them stay.
Hey, you know, say girl Brown, that a DNA brother, DNA sister, she did there that police boy. You know, police Wayne?
Oh, the one of them what did kill what him name again?
Kunda.
Yeah.
Alright. We can't tell you, Where happy was, you know, after them mamas them run away and call. We did already done Anatone, me and my sister. And when them run with mamas them, when I Scaly joke down Kunda the night with him finger and take a Kunda gun, Kunda go over.
So Kunda never knows a Scaly and a gun him use and stick him up.
Him never know. Him joke down Naya. But down Naya that a Scaly little brother with a gun. And Scaly just come behind with him 2 fingers and say, give me a gun. And him Scaly take him gun. So it's him off now. So I saw them go shoot up mama's them house the night. But none of mama's family them never did. Paul Pang, baby mother did that one of DNA brother, baby mother, sister, one little handicapped girl did dead the night. So them run we come down Anatone now and you know, we know mama's long time and thing and we used to make she sleep in our house. Me give her my bed for sleep and thing and me not talk to Million Teeth at the time. She made have a license gun.
But me used to go like my police do, you know though.
He wasn't a police. He used to have a license gun 3 months. I don't know if I 3 months guy had shim. And shim's is still syrup place.
Yeah, man, I know, man. On Orange Street.
So the 2 of them used to, every lunchtime, and so them used to come out also. When you saw him come in, him tie up him head with that towel and him stressed out because when it happened the night, you know, him in at the bar, you know, and Kunda come in there and take him said Kunda put some pill in a one and by the white room and drink, throw the pill pan and take the pill them and take out him friend. Was that, I don't remember the man name now, out of the bar and carry the man go there, kill him in a Price Street, shoot him and I made how much time. Him says like, every time him says like, the memory can't come out, I made him can. It's like him a go mad. Every day I'm coming at the house and I said, tie up him head and I go and see him. So one day I look at him and I say, you have the government gun and them have illegal gun. Why you cannot do nothing about it? And him say, what you mean? I say, I know what I mean. You in the police force, the police more than them, and I hear license gun, you have a legal gun, to go kill them. And you used to come in here every day about you mad, make it mad, yo. Not do not about it. And him say, you know, say a true you talk. And Million Teeth and him start talk. And him say, yeah man, a true man. And them I say, yeah man, every day him ride. Like them I say, every 2 o'clock him ride and go down a Greenwich Farm.
Down a June go eat fish.
Go look. I don't know if I junior him go look for this girl named Sharon or something. I don't like so. So them say, yeah man, we're gonna send them start program it now. Them have because them time they ain't have no phone, you know. I don't know how them do it, but like them have somebody.
Yeah man, hey, trust me.
Them have somebody program every day. Every day them program, man. That's why you know if you go anywhere you drive, don't drive that same way you go home every day. Don't walk that same way. Cause people want to them program you. I mean I know all them was gunman and them him never know that. Every day like clockwork. The same time, you don't know what you have to do. If it gonna kill you if you don't do nothing about it. So him and million he agree and say, yeah man, that's true man. And them did it till one day, them come in and say, today it had go down. And them go away. And when them come back, them tell the man, him are the hardest man them ever see if he did. Because them shoot him off of the bike and them shoot him all when him say them in the Jeep. When them throw him in the Jeep, them shoot him till not dead. Them say the hardest man them say ever for dead. Hey. And you know, so him have some nephew, one of them did go, and my sister tell me say, one boy where they made kill and them I say a police kill him and some people up on 9th Street. About a year ago, them I say my sister say I'm sister pick them cause so them come bad and the boy where they made kill down at Craigtown in down at Piers Road. On the spot it have him pan him thing for how long. I remember where him name now, but on the spot where you know, put him on him program after I'm dead. But my sister make me know how him dead now is the boy we dead where there. He make that guy dead because him half of the radar car on the spot never know where him dead because them as him come from jungle but nobody now on the spot of you and I said them don't know him in hiding. But I don't appear like him there. That girl don't appear the road and under the radar. So the boy when him shitty pang or whatever pang now.
Yeah.
But check him. And you know, all the ghetto stays like him have the gun. Then make a girl a pilot him out for go put him in the taxi. Him know one at a time like him want to hold on and take away with the girl.
But you know, so Kunda, him, you know, so him did have a son though where them kill him used to power with Vibes Cartel and Waterford, you know.
You know, I don't know them generation, I know him because
the boy did live from a part way, man, him named Sean.
Him them wicked, me tell you, send me go up there.
Them used to live a jungle too, you know, and him black and him have big and him have.
Me never interested to know them. Me know the one when he Mikey Kunda, him did there with Merlin. She'd have a nice little girl female, though she dead up here. And me know the liquor brother. I know him, I know the one where you saw barefoot. I see them, I know them, but me never interested to know them because the same day me I go to jungle, me hear say Rima man kill girl over jungle. Me say bullshit. Which part Rima man I go jump the Trenchtown fence and come kill nobody up there so.
But thank you. You see, so you can't think though. You know, say people them in a might come in a jungle, you know, so them can't think though. You know, so
them know the truth, but that are just the camouflage for show off everybody, and them come them come look by your body when them know all them man or them pick me or overkill it. Boy, I mean I know that somebody them not come from both ya.
Hey, boy, may I tell you, talking to you is like a long time you know and them thing because I saw it going like get off for real, you know, just like what you say, you know.
When me I go, I mean the Cook Street, me and them say, dead river man jump Trenchtown school fence come kill one woman. Me never go look, me never look at me just go up there, me no care if you know me, but me know a lie.
Yeah man, them my best liar them and I
so wait now, the same house where the girl did live in there, my brother did get the man goatee and me put my bed in the living room with my and start living the car. Me that still I never like how my sister with the yard where my sister did living over Crook Street. So me come over Mexico now, so me come over there come put up my bed in the living room and I say so one country girl used to the side of the yard, she always a wash and so she come there with her I help her sister with her pit name. She named Danny. I never forgot Danny. Danny could have made me laugh. So one day, me sit down at the stoop with me picking them now. And she say, I appear dopey in your house in there now. You never seen a dopey yet. Me say, what? Me say, what you mean dopey in there? Me never seen a dopey. I said, yeah, you not see the dopey them in there? Me say, no. Yeah, no. And in the girl did live where Kunda kill. Me say, what? She said, yes. She said, the girl, she showed me, say, across the street, she sit down. She used to go over there, evening time, she used to be there and sit down over there with her picnic. And the evening, she be there and sit down over there with her baby in her hand, and Kunda just come and shoot her straight in her chest.
But why him shoot her?
So I asked her, then I asked her, I said, then why him killing baby mother? She said, you know, enough of them know them dead bad man, them walk and give themselves peer trouble in the community. So him never, it's like him get tired of people are complaining to him and them something there. So I don't know if he did talk to her before or but it's like him get tired.
So him kill her because of that?
And the family them move. You know where they move from Waltham or way.
Then move man, a Waterford them did come on them thing there. Them live brighter in my party a Waterford. Cause
funny it is, them know they can't move, but them never move till when something happen to them.
Yep, I saw it going to get to man. I know so them move fast though.
Yeah.
And enough of them fools still doing and they still come back inside it.
Yeah.
Can't lose them life.
Then when this my brother come in the night, he said, what are you doing about him come for gun? He said, no, go knowing that the man them find all of the gun. He said, him know in which part he used to hide them. He said, I tell my little sister to follow him. And it not fine. But say, I tell you. So me have my little sister follow him, go put him palm bus out up the. I said, try go on, not canning here. And I saw him get saved. And one day me say 2 pipe coming about him come I look for gun and Peter that kill him over Zimbabwe. We don't want to go in the vine. The boy them call the man them where you side. Where you side they go on them.
Them switch and go to the bow.
Show the man them where they go on them there. Not one gun them could have did fine.
So how much children you have?
I have 7 now. When me done them, I did have 3.
So 4 born up here?
No, 3 born up here. Let me tell you. When me there town, I have 1 for Lady, for Barley.
You have a kid for Lady Sims?
Yeah.
So where is that child now?
In liver, never get him and me never left my partner with him and I take him take badness and take him from my sister them. So because him a police and him a work and him a visa, me never really interested because since him take him, make him keep him. So
him never met the boy get the visa and them thing there?
No, and him a visa.
I saw some police there, you know, real dirty man.
Him a carry feelings and I go out with him only for madness.
Oh, like the Sims?
My son.
Oh, him want to blame you now. So you don't file for him?
No.
Them file for him, man.
My son file for him and I tell my son to stop it because me buy my house and him, me left and copy that 2002 and him a collect rent off of my house so much. After me left for the room them for rent out and the money going on my account for me could have buy more house.
Him spend the money per girl?
Him spend up the money and waste the money and him now fix the house. Right now me and my daughter and my son have to fix the house. You know, so in all these years, I collect these money and now do nothing. And it starts some argument where my son have to put him in a place and tell him say he's a thief.
Why? Well, I saw it go. You have to tell people the truth. You understand?
Yeah,
but you have to still make him come on them things, still, you know.
No, because him blame people and nobody. First of all. When them flag at school, auntie, I carry water and I catch coal fire.
No,
and the father believes say she take care of me. Go down there, my sister them tell me and me see my carry the water with them should I in school and stop it.
Which country that?
No, I don't know the scheme.
So she didn't make him go to school? So which part him used to live? Which part him used to live?
He used to live in the scheme in a Snipen road there.
So why like the Sims never make him live with him over across the waters?
Because I forgot work. Who would I look after him? So his sister in the scheme, so she's responsible for look after him. But if my sister them never in there, my son could have come eat food and things, he would have to bed because A peer wickedness, when they leave, you pick them come and find them, man. Cause
I'm family terribly, you know.
yeah, then enough things, the one them come enough things, them tell me and thing, and me ask them why them never call me and tell me. Then if my sister them have my kids, them you know the one never come, you know, them wouldn't reach, cause them know about the trip and them never tell me. How my brother called me one day and tell me say, cause me used to just send money and I send barrel every minute. I send barrel and the things them I pick to them now I get it, the food now them I go away, them collect the money and the food and them gone. So one day my brother called me and tell me said, look, you just send money and barrel and the pick to them hungry. So I say, all right, here we go. I tell him, I spark my friend live over Jonestown, so I go call her, call. Then she have picked the one. I know she will cook food and get the pick them and things. So I just tell him forgot. And she come and I tell her and she go take the pick them and things. And I want to tell her that girl couldn't read and write. And my daughter used to have to read and do things here.
And she treat them better than your sister? And your sister vexed with you from that, though?
No, so because my sister, remember that? Me vexed with them for a while, but after I just, no, so I just saw. I still get because I also buy me give my sister a house, but like a 2 family house. One of them. The other one never come. She stay down at the scheme. Them kill her son. The boy will kill her son. Them kill him back and them are plan to kill she and her daughter, so them are fain up a man.
And them no want to forget one of them thing there.
Them no want left, cause them no hear when them put on them clothes, them nobody not rate them. Boy, you are the first man put on that and you know.
So the boy will kill Fear son, and where him come from over Havana?
The boy will come man and grow a girl in the street who drink Michael Manley. Mama never even have food to buy for feed him. Michael Manley free milk. Yeah. And the free school bun and milk.
Nutribun and bullet.
Nice enough.
Why milk smell, but you never drink the milk though.
Yeah man, me used to drink it.
Why me couldn't drink? You know so me couldn't drink milk though.
No, me drink it.
No sir, milk smell too bad man.
Well, she mama used to go collect it because what happened, you know? When my brother did over there, one boy must take one gun from over there. And him coming at the scheme and my nephew said to tell him say him know the boy and whatever. So my brother say, here my sister them living here, you know, just leave it alone. My brother tell him to leave it alone. Don't say no. Him nephew know like him and the boy always in that things. And the boy beat one of the boy friend must beat him up. And him go over the station and the police him come with the police. The boy see the police are coming and him have a gun, and him said I'm run with the gun or something, turn up there make the police kill him. My sister did have to send him away. But anyway, him come back and I scheme and like he made never so good like something. You know, I don't know if the people, the woman will pick the dead, kill him or something. Oh God, so much advantage and so much wicked things.
But ghetto people, that's my wickedest. Hey, the only thing we as black people who in Jamaica, in a ghetto a gang and killings. You understand? When the man them got foreign and make money, the man them don't come back. And try to help. And if
them show off on them one another.
Then I say go on them thing, man.
Them show off on them one another with car and clothes and ray and whatever. So that boy now named Michael, him take it up on female in my nephew mad state, him never so collected. All him and shoot him in the head. Must 3 times him shoot him in the head. So him go back to England, you know, and get the pan come back, you know. And one of my nephew friend them must drink down a field, see him cousin shop. Drink and must tipsy and come and put a gun on him throat and shoot him drop same place and dead where him kill my nephew. Yeah, so them say, Obia. From me nephew dead, you know, because to me used to send the money to give my sister, you know, for bank, you know.
Yeah.
So when she hear upon the news, because my sister there, she did live up on Marvalley. When she hear the news, so she just grab her bank book and go down there. And tell my sister, so if they come and them go make the funeral arrangement. So true, him mother know, she know the people them do the cutting and them something at the dead house. So
Yeah.
she go and give them a money and him get for him cut and him bury upon the 9th day when him dead, the funeral. Right, you have your money for bury your dead and you have them you get the body, you know, where you keep it for.
True.
As long as you have 6 people to carry that damn coffin, you enough keep the damn dead. So them say oh, she get bury for her dead so quick. So when them kill Michael now, everybody did run away and they call her and tell her say them are gonna kill she and her daughter in the house. So she come with police because she did a big policeman where you saw immigration police, Mr. Campbell. I don't know if you know him. Mr. Campbell, you saw him live over. Nice man. And them organize and go down there with soldier and police. When me hear me have to say then who you get choke and sick so quick.
A connection man. Wow.
So them move out and the boy if when I turn them up on me head and me hear so my sister send call Mr. Campbell and tell them if send police up there and them have to leave. She said no kill nobody, just make them leave. So them left and down a west now. Them down there kill people. Cause they have 2 nephews in the clique, you know, him sister son and him brother son.
That's a day when you used to get trouble from back in the days?
Yeah man.
Yeah
man, from about 78. They dead about 78.
Can you know Willie I got them is a par?
Yeah man, I saw me know I got car when the jungle man them run where the wild bunch them and them come back down that way there. I saw me know him. So they must go kill one man on the railroad cause them have some cousin you down a garden, you know, that Bowser son them. And for them mother it have bad family down there. I no care where I go on when she there with Bowser, she left from garden come up there. Nobody no trouble her. Come up Regent Street, come straight. Yeah, them no all friend of the 70s. Nobody no trouble her cause she have a bad family them down there too. So just
like the Sprat them and Turnerball family.
Them grew up now. Mr. Bowser's son them grew up now. Them used to call one Mr. Brown and the little brother, I don't know where, but them was the man Dodos was right hand man or next whatever you call that.
Yeah.
So me hear say when them go kill the man pan, them used to give peer trouble down the car, them kill all somebody down a Regent Street. And when them go down, them not just keep them behind quiet. So them go to him catch him know say them man him a family. So them Mr. Brown them used to call him. So when them say anything or anything, cause you know Dodos policy. Me and Dodos a cousin, you know, but him no by father's side, not by my mother's side.
Yeah, Jim Brown a family?
No, Dodos, no. Remember, him grandmother and we are cousins, some family from my father, because she named Madden, Jice Madden, and we are Madden a family, but by my father's side. So, Jice Madden daughter now is Dodos' mother, so we and them a family by my father's side, but we never make the connection. We just know how our father tell we, and we never, you know, our father is a man. We never make we know our family. Him just tell we say so and so our family and so on. And so it's still
true.
Guys, mad no, so we are not a family. So, when them go tell Mr. Brown, or Mr. Brown say anything, you know, Dodo's thing was. Fame father friend them and a fame friend them.
Yeah, I saw him say. That contribute to him demise too, you know.
That's a them policy.
Yeah. That thing.
Yeah. So him now, the police them now go shoot up my nephew dead and other people dead, cripple all kind of sitting. The 2 boy them dead, the 2 nephew them dead. But after that killing go on now. You know, say them kill one of Bowser's son and a garden it happened and Nobody know him big brother down there and it's a top secret and it don't know nobody know cause I can't find out who kill him brother. So him left out again and live on Regent Street. Him live on Regent Street now. Him and the police them him have a lawsuit with the police them. And there so the police them come down, they swoop down there one Sunday morning cause me and her still talk and you know they still talk. When him dead, I think Pops dead after him and all buried. That Beverly Pang's son for DNA. Him dead like the January. I think Pops dead the March and bury. All 3 months when me think him bury it, them not get him body. The police wouldn't release him body because him have a lawsuit. You can't have lawsuit with police and still not there. You have to hide under a bulb.
Yeah. Why expect you have to know where you're doing them thing there, you know. Hey, some police are terrorists still doing them, I tell you, you know.
So as some years so the police them swoop down upon him and shoot him up them all them say me go catch water cause you know water going at them neighborhood there sometime.
Yeah.
And the police them catch the water and wash with the blood and throw him in the car and go in all 3 months, 4 months after the money they film bury cause his mother family they find and go down they go pay for the funeral and everything.
So why police them say all them kill him? What them say why them kill him?
Me not tell you them have a last me say them have a lawsuit with the police them. Me don't know for what, me don't know the details.
Yeah, but the police them kill him. So what reason them what justification them do for kill him?
Them not have no reason. Them not me don't know whether you know them are gonna come up with something. But that's the reason why them kill him because the lawsuit and it look like him never come out winning.
You have to go a country go hide out until it done.
But you see, I go and tell you something, believe it or not, is retribution justice. You know, so them father buy out a war in a 1963 and kill my brother in a bus theater. My biggest brother. Stab him and kill him, which was a theme war. And nobody don't know about it. It was a top secret America. Me come know say him Bowser kill my brother.
So why him kill your brother for?
Alright. Them say my brother did bad enough. Him not afraid of nobody. Cause one time I asked Billionaires that a Bowser brother, big brother. Cause me just have the feelings, cause everybody around us are supposed to know where did I go on. And one day when me ask Billionaires and them a tell me say, cause my sister did there with Popsy, that Danny Wyler's brother. And Danny Wyler's sister did there with my brother. So me here say if Popsy beat my sister Joseph, go beat him sister. That's why the war start.
I'm not a fool.
So them gang my brother had broke him 2 and me here. Cause them time them auntie them live up on Fatford. Cause we did live a back a wall them time there.
Yeah.
I was 3-year-old. Me never know them time they were going when me come back at home, but me, all my life me and my mother I talk about Joseph every day before from him dead. She call him name all 3-4 times for the day. And remember say my father carry upon Spanish Town would go buy clothes and we got white clothes and white shoes. I was 3-year-old but remember them things but me remember the actual funeral. I remember the night we at the house the back while I'm here, somebody knock the door, I'm here, my mother get up and go door, I'm here, she scream out and start ball and then she put on her clothes and go away. And true, we never have electric was lamp, we cover up under the sheet. And long after my mother come back and then she take off her clothes and go into the bed. And them never tell you know back then them people not tell you say your brother there. Cause I never live with we. Remember one time him come there and I beat Keith and I say entire grow big if you give my mother money, if you don't give my mother money, me kill you, boy. And then the next time no, me never see him again. Me not really know him as my brother. Him come because I used to live with my auntie at Fatford Melcar Street. And which me never know at the time because I like a pick me at 3-year-old. One day I run at the front of the yard at back a wall and I come out and I see this guy ride up on this bicycle. And me and my sister when him Sonia and him said, my sister what and I said, I don't know you is not my brother. And him say, yeah, you're my brother, you're my sister, come here. And him put me upon him the bicycle side. Yeah, and put me upon the bar side and put my sister upon the angle and ride. We go under one lime tree. And you know the sucks up man, them used to pass. Beep beep for the kiss cup. Where them ice cream man,
Yeah,
them
man.
with Mike and him stop the fudge man and say anything I want if you take it. So him there I will bite you, I will eat it. And then him drop way off back and say, all right, next time. And him will come back all the next week and do the same thing again. And after a while, even when him dead, me never remember him. A long after me, I say, you know, when they about 12, 13, me have go back and I say, Joseph, oh, me can't remember him. I know my mother talk about him all the while, but I couldn't remember say him a beat. He's a one day me and my mother talk about him. I remember back saying that him come the day that beat my brother for true. I remember back that. I remember I could never remember saying you used to come carry go buy ice cream. And one day I sit down and I think and I say I have a big brother, and I must remember, I must used to come around me, and I remember the bicycle when him come the day and say, my sister, what happened? And he say, I'm my favorite little sister, you know. I remember that. Me have to think hard and say, oh, I couldn't remember my brother. But anyway, after me and my mother scream out the night and she put on her clothes and she go away, and long after she come back, me cover up under the sheet, you know. But remember before that happened, you know, every morning I wake up, rat bite up my foot bottom. And my mother used to say, somebody I got dead. Every morning, and just my foot bottom alone, the rat them used to bite up.
So how not rat in a phone house?
Me don't know, me don't see the rat. Me a little pit, me a 3-year-old, me don't know. Every morning, I couldn't even, some time when them bite up my foot bottom, I can't walk. And my mother used to say, I'm a good sign, somebody I got dead.
Yeah, one thing still doing, you know, get the people that love the other business bad, you know what do?
And yeah, man, enough people them indulge in them things.
Yeah, man, and them love talk about say, oh, me watch me, I mash you up, you know.
And you know, say, we come back and live a girl in the street. I remember about when I was 12-year-old. Because always I look me, you know. The whole of the man them that look me, big man them that look me. I remember I was about 24 them time there. And one day I was on the corner of Blunt Street and I say, Danny Wilder's driving. I said, I like that pussy hole there, you know.
I don't trust it.
Yeah, and him say, me and Bowser they stand up and him say, for a little girl that's a powerful saying to say, oh, you mean? And I say, I don't like him because him, and him say, why you don't like him? I say, because him kill my brother. And him, the family of them gang my brother and kill him. And him say, who was your brother? And I tell him, and scratch him, I get stabbed. And I say, you know, something touched me, but we couldn't connect it, you know.
Then yeah.
But I forgot it. And that drag something in my brain. That's why when we run a superstar and billionaires, because we always used to run over Artists and thing, and although they must bigger man for we and thing, and you know, one day I said to him, say, you know my brother did, you know, and he might tell me one bag of shit.
Oh, Bowser?
Billionaires. I got a big brother and he must tell me, say, oh, my brother did a bad man and everybody afraid him and the man them gang him and beat him up and broke up him man. And him swear, so when the man them come off, when the bandage come off him and him will kill off the whole of them. So I saw them plan now to kill my brother the night at the Abbas theater. But auntie them tell him never forgot it at the show the night, you know, them beg him everybody, them say the whole day them tell him don't go show the night, those was a triple bill. And the night, them say him going like a bar under the upstairs where them living, and them say him going at the bar and him punch the music 4 times. I mean, them never tell me the song where him punch, and them going to say him play the song 4 times, 5 times, because I think them time they get how much song for
10
cents.
For 10 cents.
Cent never in, man, it was shilling.
Oh, okay, that's a nice 60s, yeah.
Yeah, so me grew up now and me used to love listen to old music. And me and my mother sing the whole song, and this song used to always I sing it, and one day me I sing it and my sister come there. My big sister come and she hear me I sing it. And she say, Where you know that song they from? I say, me don't know, I just love listen to old music and I like it. And sometimes it just come in my head and I just sing it. And she said she don't like hear that song because Joseph had play 5 times before him
kill him. Before them kill him.
Yeah, before him got the show the night. Oh, the song. I can't remember the song. It's like the end. It's like the end of the world. Where is my girl? I lost my love. And it's like the end of the world. One day my sister come here, I sing it, and I say she not like hear that song there. I say, why? She say, my brother did punch the night so much time before him got the show. So anyway, only people say who killed my brother, but them it was like a top secret.
Nobody not talk.
Nobody not talk. Nobody not talk. But my mother have it say a popsy them kill him catch what them and him in a war.
Yeah.
But a foreign me come and know this guy where used to live, Akibod, auntie. When I come to Brooklyn and me used to live in her yard and she used to come over there because she knew my neighbor and you know them and one day she could work at the school and me and her sit down there talk and me ask her which part she used to live and she up at Friend Street and I say who was the family them and she say Akibod. I say you know so we and Akibod them all one time police are run down Akibod and him jump in at Miss Lily yard and with peer dog and we all look down the street and make the police them go down the street.
Mislead the police them.
Yeah. So she tell me say I tell her say my brother was one of the first man them killing our ambassador theater. So she say who was my brother? I tell her say no say a Pinchy kill him. Me say no man them say a pops. Me say me should upon Pinchy kill him. Cause remember them him never used to like when nobody call him that name there in the 70s too.
Yeah.
When me, like him want the name for fears out, but when she tell me say him, I said no man, a Scaly, cause Scaly was the bad man. She said no, a Pinchy, Pinchy stab him. And when me check back, and when me know him in a 74, in the 70s,
a Pinchy them
Pinch them call Bowser. That was his nickname.
But him not like it. Him not like the name.
He not like when they call him so.
So why them call? Can you know some nickname always have with something?
No, why them call him so him hide do with the fact cause it's like after that him stay in him yard and him never me don't know how it happened if I buy him bite out of them use him for kill my brother because him was a young youth at the time. When me check back from when me know him in a 72, 73 was about 24 them time now when me check check the time it was like it would have been about 13, 14 so at that time then. Yeah. So me I say them man they was bigger man than him at the time. So my brother dead when him about 19,
Yeah.
So, and the girl I tell me say, a right front arm, my brother the day when Pinchy stab him jump up and when him get to stab him jump up on the seat and the pan. When I see the brother, the man them stab me, give me a knife, somebody give me a knife. Somebody she say him did a long time. I say, no, I see the man them stab me and give me a knife. Until him run to the exit and him drop down at the exit. So if him did get help, me I say any him did get help, somebody did rush him and stab maybe him wouldn't dead because she said him dead for a while and I say, give me a knife, somebody give me a knife. See the man them stab me, them stab me and then when him run off now and go to the exit, I see my mother say him drop at the exit and start and him batter on the ground till him dead. So
nobody help him.
Nobody never help him. And my sister said when she see now she never on a red shirt, she take off the shirt and tie around him, wrap him where they cut there, where she see the blood that come from. So it look like after that now him, like him know said because for them family and for family close together from back then, And everybody will know keep it top secret about that about that. Say the same thing that's what I tell you say. Karma is a bitch. Say the same thing up to him picnic. Him son, him two son them not again. Me just tell you say one police kill the big one. But the reason why the big one, because if him in the garden, the police them would kill him. The reason why him come out the garden, them kill him brother in a garden and nobody him no know who do it. All him a investigate. Him can't know, nobody now tell him who kill him brother. Yeah, so you see, Karma is a bitch and him sick and nearly name him shit.
Him suffer before him not dead.
Yeah. I'm friend me here, say him sister tell me say I'm friend going at the house and see him. Man got down and sick. And take a hose, wash him off and carry him down to the hospital when them admit him. Him have well, they call it the aneurysm. Like them say, anyone them operate pan him a go dead, and if him not operate pan him a go dead because him weak out, him not have no food in him body, him not have no strength. So them just leave him till him just dead.
So when him dead?
Let me see, him dead, but let me see, maybe in Florida when me hear say him dead. I was a year that you know, not 10 years, either 7 or 8 years ago, him dead.
Them all you see, like say them all live favor and them thing there, you understand? But they must know say enough. Your time are coming.
Yeah, there's a thing when them say it we can ever pronounce the word inevitable.
Yeah man, you pronounce it correct man, inevitable.
That thing, that is a must.
Yeah man, it's appointed to man to die once man. You can't escape that.
Mankind is so wicked against them one another. They are so wicked, and now them get more wickeder because why me think the people them so wicked and the killer them, everybody so wicked, you know. When you see them at Jamaica and everybody is with a cup in them man, you know, drink this damn thing when they am bum and
Mali. Mad and every time I see it still doing them, I say, all them people that come by this thing with this like a plastic cup and
the split in a eggnog in them lip.
Yeah, I know that one of them thing, you know, oh Jamaica, oh we stay so we have the best water and I drink bottled water. Oh, I mean I say when me I grow we don't know them we I drink out of pipe, we I drink pipe water.
Yeah, them a copycat. Jamaica is copycat already. To them I will listen one news bro God I say I might change the penalty for killing and them something a long time them for do that shit.
Him weak no man, you have to between me and you still doing it. You know, may I tell you this straight up, you know. When me really I look for go and like, you know, said there's no difference. It's just that, alright, as one of my cousins say on them thing there, you have some teeth and them teeth brawling, but you have some teeth where them teeth have and them have mercy. Me say where you get that from? Him say him say I saw them stay. You understand what I'm saying?
They have some teeth, man, the teeth and left something back
him say,
some teeth and scrape every teeth.
Yeah, man, him say some teeth are teeth for you, man, brawling, and say some of them have mercy. Me say, which part of teeth have mercy? Him say, yeah, man, me say, me never, at first, you can't, me I tell you, say, you can't too old for, me never hear nothing like that, you tell me say, me laugh till me weak. The man say, yeah, him say, boy, some teeth, yeah, man, them when them are teeth man, I never say boy some of my teeth them come like it's like when them are teeth some of them use some use as spade when them are teeth like you understand, and some use spoon. I say how you get them him say boy I tell them man hey them still you know if you look still
you see the Mali thing you know me don't know where the Mali cause them say I want pill. But the sports drink itself is a something where make your eye pop in. I can remember one time I got the gym and my sister-in-law said me if drink Red Bull. The night when me drink that, but I tear down the weights them in the gym. When I come up about a month straight, me not sleep. Yeah, so when you drink sport drink, you're supposed to work out for alleviate all of them.
For burn out all of them things.
Burn up back all of that thing and plus them a drink it with the white rum straight. Plus them a smoke the weed. So in them head, you know that them feel like if them say God, them would kill him.
Yeah man, them crazy. Hey, and I went you know so right now in Africa. You know so right now in Africa, you know what them are do? Them you see, you know so the bone of people dead in a Sierra Leone, you know. The bone of the dead people, them in the people, them are real, the cemetery, them in the cemetery, them in Africa, you know, and I smoke it, you know. Can I give them a big... I tell you, man, right now, man, in Africa.
Now, I know, say, from long time, them are put up here, them I use the embalm fluid and I mix the weed, and that...
And it did reach Jamaica, too, man.
Make them look like zombie when them smoke it.
It did reach Jamaica, man.
Why me not put them in my body?
Yeah, man, it did reach Jamaica, man.
Remember one time them have another something for 5 hour energy. I live in Brooklyn, I got a gym at Church Avenue there. I see the girl them I drink it. I start drink it and it make me give me a good little buzz for workout and thing. 3 months, I like me, I drink it every morning, you know. You say for about 3 months, I just look up in the ceiling every night. I don't sleep. Every night, becoming like a zombie.
So you stop drinking?
What do you mean? Me tell my daughter first, and my daughter say, I prefer just drink some, I don't drink the whole bottle. I say, hey.
Yeah, quite nice, man. Them think it's addictive, you know, man. I saw them thing next day.
No, but if you work out, it get energy for work out, you know. But you see,
if you don't work
it don't come in like it don't come out of me, you know.
I know you work it out.
It don't come out of my system because for about 3 months straight, me just look up in the ceiling at night time. I can't sleep. Me said, no, sir, I can't drink this. Me not drink it again. And I asked the girl them in the dream. I said, well, they don't drink it to not sleep. Them say, yeah. I said, they know it don't make me sleep.
Well, because you know I burn it out on them thing there.
When I work out, we come them time me all have to 2 up on the treadmill, up on the bike, up on this, up.
So you have only time, man, for spend them hours there at the gym.
Yeah, them time me used to work weekend.
Oh, okay.
So I have the whole week to work out.
I like the Sims and Harry Bungles in a big friend in it. Why them you say that eradication, you know?
But I know I wasn't friend, you know, because I don't like some me in relationship. It wasn't like a their relationship. Me just know him.
So it was like a buck up thing and with the and him.
Yeah, it was like him, you know, one day him called me and said me and him, you know, me things are reason, me and him are reason. Next thing, one thing lead to another, and the family man done man say, yeah, breathe, you know, me say, me not breathe, I know me have Paul, me can't believe that I would be foolish. Me say, my God, me say, me can't believe that one sex breathe somebody, so. I lied to everybody. I don't know, same have more than one woman. I can't take one woman.
That's how it always going. I saw it going as police and bad police and anything there. I saw it always going anything there. But I just you have to know what you are doing anything there.
Like my vibes and thing, but I couldn't know Baba.
Well, hey, look, as what you say anything, just like how you have a brother and just like how you have a brother and him I just saw me stay on him thing there as police. Because enough time a woman cause police to lose him life and a woman make him lose him life. You understand? Yeah, man.
Because him used me and him know them. I live up a jungle. One day I'm gonna drive him police car.
Yeah, man, him used to have a keep on care car, you know. Cause through my a big police and an ordinary detective still though, you know.
Well, him come and ask my niece him buck up in there, but my niece I wasn't an idiot, although she that little girl. Just said me don't know nobody name so. So when me come the evening, she say, one car load of police. First she tell me say a car load of police come and look for me. Me say, oh, me know how. So then I go and I told me say, don't try that again, you know.
People go say
them come kill off me and my family.
So you're informer. Get up people are some idiot people them still though, you know. Yeah, man.
When this man there, where ma come and look for me up a jungle for?
Well, between you don't know. Hey, sometime I saw police there and them thing there. You see true, you did have a thing and in the sea like I saw it come on.
Him just said love enough of himself and go like him when him about their female him could have protect me.
So you never the guy in funeral?
No sir. Me up here when him dead. Me never go at the funeral.
So how much youth him dead left?
6.
I want if the government take care of them and them thing there.
Yeah, man, everybody get their money. My son, him get free money and blow it. The whole of them, all the house sell and the whole of them get even money.
Why? And the police
And then but I get more if I'm dead pan duty, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah. Why me glad say not never do me and them thing there still. I mean, I want police when you in Bobby Reds where you used to work. Only 2 hours alone to get no shot, you know. Everybody else get shot. I want to get shot dead, you know. And me and Bobby, man.
Well, yeah, for glad, my son. Me have a cousin who a soldier. Him do him time in there and come out. And come after it.
But it corrupt still though. Just like what you say on them thing there, cause I don't know if you know this police will come from Johnson and Derek Powell. He man George Pang a friend to you know, and one name. I don't know if you know Mutty Scott from Maya Street. He must police too.
I know used to see police back in the day. Cause one night my sister come tell me say them kill a soldier pan our Rima man it fire shot and kill something like that.
Who you attack? That's in the 70s you attack Errol?
No man. When we go up a jungle go live man, cause me do over jungle and she come tell me say them kill a soldier, see down a Rima and fire shot and kill one. And a peer soldier run go down from in the open land. The whole of the people at that night I think they made kill Red Tony.
Oh.
Here so the whole of Rima for I may pen the whole of them did up.
Them have to run.
Yep. Here says the sister say appear so the soldier chuck them and drive down and that soldier jump out tight and I run straight down in a Rima to where we call down the
No man's land.
No man's land.
Hey, you know, so the first time you got Rima when me a police, me used to stay up right up when no man's land. Me don't know if it, and the first person who got jail and no man's land in a copy brother when he in Blue Boy, you know. Him did get gun, you know, from police, from the 2 police them, you know, so them did want back the gun, cause you know, so the man have to bring in back gun and he not bringing back film gun. And I saw him end up down at no man's land, so we go there and go look for him and them thing, I look through his fence. As a little boy, and I just look down. Yeah, man.
Some mark run up and down in a room, man. So one time, remember when we used to go buy some milk corona, where Trenchtown's library used to be on Spanish Town, or this front of me pen. We have I got it built a little park. I think the park's still there, you know, right across from me pen there. And me in there, I want to go up on the seaside. So
that's at the park up on Spanish Town Road.
One little boy upon the seaside, me just come out and gather some stone and fling beer stone in there. But when me look, one crowd I run me down, me run right in a little King Street, so where Ken Bood yard, where you know with my dress, my car did live in the Auntie Cynthia and all that. All of them live on Melcar Street, but them had moved down there. And I 2 gate the yard, I mean, but them look like the crowd never realized I 2 gate the yard have. And me run, when me in the Auntie Cynthia, them I said, what you do? They said the boy, them I trouble me have a fling stone and chop one of them, and them say, oh, you gonna get out here when me run go to the other side now to East Road. Nobody no run there, so me just open the gate and run up East Road and run up on Melchor Street and run up.
You don't go back down there?
Me don't go back down there.
I said, go on.
They don't remember me.
Well, hey, still doing it. Well, hey, still doing it. You know, so Ghetto is a university itself, you know, man.
Well, I tell you.
I remember one time we have the big tree down a park, man, downtown in a St. William. You could go there and play, as a youth, you play marble with everybody from Tivoli, Rima, Hota East, and when I play marble, a man play fear, you know, man. No man no fight, and, you know. But
I remember back in the days, you could have walked, but anyway, we used to take the bus, go all from town, go. We up at Trench Town.
And Papi in X77 and 99 and
take the bus, go we around town for Sunday day and come back.
Yeah, man, around the world. Hey, boy, hey, Ghetto, still, you know, is that anybody will come from Ghetto and you live in a first world country and you can't survive, you're born fool. You understand? Once you come from Ghetto and them thing there, and you live in a first world country and you can't survive, them say you did born full and them thing there. You understand? And you know, say education is paramount because once you have education, remember saying ignorance are burden, you know, man. Education rule the world, you know. You understand? But you know, my mother said ghetto mean get out, you know, man.
Right.
Yeah, man. Get out, man, and you understand? Just like what you say on them thing there, you know, with this kettle them and them thing there.
You can't live in the ghetto and you know, be ghetto fabulous, you know.
True. Well,
you can't live in the ghetto and you know, he's not a part of the ghetto, you just know you live in there.
But look here, between me and them thing there, nobody can say you come from like Carol now, you know, Willie I got baby mother. And not because she come from ghetto, you know, because she illiterate, you know that. And that, no, I just saw.
Why is that she illiterate? Them girl used to go to school.
You know, I mean, really, you know, sir, it's not every educated person is intelligent too.
I know, say, although I say, I know, so she act when she grew up. I know, so she used to act.
I know, but look how me I talk for over 3 hours. Up to now, you don't use one curse word. That for sure.
I can't curse.
I know, but that for sure your intelligence and them thing that you are from the ghetto, but you know how to be you know how to communicate with people. You understand?
Well, me kind of understand fear perspective of where she come from, you know, cause remember say she sees something and it pretty and say her baby father this and she express herself and I make you know say I know so her baby father is not.
Hey, but she never did know. She apparently she never did know on them thing they say him used to do the old man them where them are for the gang are rapist them.
Well,
him did the round the
I know so him used to pirate the them and thing and I used to run with cause so me know him when the wild bunch them used to come back down a girl in street. But me no know what them do at daytime and when them a walk. Me hear them say
them are rapists.
You know you can't hear them say DNA. Well I mean no DNA a rape cause anybody more on pan. Man take them away.
And them say strong, you know, man.
And jungle and them man, them whole and pioneer, but me turn up at my gate. I don't know if I should know my family, them also him never trouble me yet. I always a laugh and I say, Browning, go in your bed. If I stand up at my gate and I look out and I see them a pass, sometimes I see my pass and them say, Brown as you know, go in your bed.
But none of your children them not mix up on them thing they do.
My children, them coming from them little, you know.
So no, them not get themselves wind up on them thing. They when the police and them something.
My say, I have 3 sons up here.
We're born up here.
Yeah, and we have the one in the army. Him born when I made a fair run within a 1980 election.
I mean, I'm still in the army up here.
Then lady. And I don't really know the army or the National Guard.
I still am, man. National, come in the military, you know.
The same kind of training.
Yeah, man, I see him.
Then lady son no.
The place and him thing there.
I see him there. I'm one of the people. Hey, when we go Florida, go live, you know. Me meet one guy from Payne Avenue. We like come round my baby father and love hang out through me and him always I say him mother send for everybody and not send for him. And anytime him brother and him get bus. Anytime him get bus, him I go send for him brother. And after a while, you know, things go down and me never there on and him used to link my sister and last year me and so and one day she say him used to bring her money come get her and everything and one day she did there wait until I say him a come through. Him a come down cause New York I used to doing business and him a bring the money come and she did there wait and she a call and she now that she all get mad and I said Joseph broke her foot and she have a number see me and about a year after she said she just take up the phone and call him and his sister answer the phone.
Same did.
And yeah, she said, and she tell him, say the brother, the same brother where him send for kill him for $500, give him 5 shots.
Bombard.
His mother no say him is a wicked. That's nobody in the family never send for him. Him are the only one always I say when him get possible and him did help get Lincoln send for the brother.
Why?
And the brother kill him for $500. But them say him the sister will tell my sister and I say him it's stubborn still, you know, because him The boy, him have a knife and the brother have a gun and him have asked him, try and send for him and whatever I must. And I remember if I'm at the whole of 1 hour, I must say, pussy, give him the money, and he must say, so him a walk up to him with the knife, him a shoot him. The first shot him get on him knee. And him still a walk and go up to him. You can't do that. You back down. For you see him shoot you one time, back down.
No, the reason why I think so, him in a fee himself, him expect him brother to have some form of loyalty to him because him bring him come here. But when I understand that Jamaican people have loyalty. Yeah, man. You know, say you would just don't feed them and them kill you though.
And then that me tell my niece when she got mix up with jungle people, but she got jungle go there with man.
Nah, man.
When they have them all have all the food in their mouth, where you give them and
them kill them, man. Yeah, man. Me know that. Hey, alright. You know that guy used to live in a ghetto. You know say every day, you know all the food, the ghetto staple and them thing there. You know say morning, say all one tea bag share for all 5 people and them thing there. You know that.
We don't know that one day.
Oh yes, man. I saw it going to get to my. Alright. So say anytime your family, if all on a Thursday, your mother cook rice and peas and beef, steak. Say people in the yard beg should have just said that. You know that. Allow me to tell.
Whenever I used to live in a tenant yard, I live a girl and she was the whole family, peer family living at the yard.
Oh. Boy, when you live in a tenement yard, man, I saw it go on them thing, man. Yeah, man, because just
hear about them thing, and the thing I mean, I like it, I get to them. Everybody have to know them. Some of them go a tone, go buy something, them have to show it, and I like them vulgar speak.
And one thing on them something, you live in a ghetto, left your clothes out on the line in the night. And them
your shoes and them
some wicked people, them, and people I think that who lie, human and lie, man. Them not ram for them man born,
one thing we know when we live at Jonestown, a pure bad word you hear morning time, all over jungle, the bad word wake you up, bad word put you to bed.
True, man. BRC, them not cuss it like regular people,
Them
so them all treat with BRC. I tell you, man. You understand?
And when we come at Curling Street, come live. Me wouldn't call this or get to a moon call because when we go up at Jonestown up the nice.
That's in the 70s that did nice, man. A residential area.
Have all the business place, them on Oxford Street, Price Street.
Oxford Street, my man,
You have all the business place, them up there, they nice when you go up at Jonestown, the ice factory, Mr. Mattis, ice place, they don't got.
I remember Robbie have a shop on Pencil Street. Him daughter live up in New York, Margaret.
I don't know a lot of people from where I know their face, but I don't know them by. I remember when me living at the border at Denham Town, called Trinity Lane at Denham Town, down Likomora, Anna Town, and which free address at Jonestown. So we then at the border.
I don't know if you hear about a man who come from Trenchtown in Bulla. And did eat off a man shop on them thing there. You ever hear about it? Yeah, man, him and Bob Marley grew up together, man. Him live at Chicago now, man. A man named Bulla, man. Him man eat up. Well, he was a contractor on them thing. Remember say them time the American vehicle them have a Jamaican. You remember them time there? A big vehicle, them, man. Automatic, you remember them vehicle there? You remember American vehicle them? Where them used to drive? Yeah, man, the man shop down at Trenchtown, man. Him a contractor and man have McEwen and all kind of thing and Dragon Stout and all and man bet him $200 same can eat and from the eat off the man shop the man mash up, man. Eat off everything. Yeah, man, everything eat off and drink up. And from that the man mash up, man. Me no remember man name when them sing there. Yeah, man, Bulla mash up the man. Mash him up, man. Yeah, I tell you. Hey, get to us.
Remember when JAMAICAN, man, Levene in 1972? We have the dirt truck, the man, the sweeper used to go around and dirt. And after a while, I said, no dirt truck, no sweeper, dirt a pile up.
Yeah, man, that's what them time of Jamaica, like we now reached our first world status.
Right.
And then after that, things will start go down.
I don't know where them dirt truck they did go.
The street sweeper them, I don't know.
Hey.
Boy, man, them not just the thing is with me and them thing, me say, boy, give me the book and not the gun and them thing there. Because when you really look back at it, and them thing there, Starkey, Michael, whole heap of youth, them were dead and them thing there. I see them politicians, them destroy them life, because, you see, Jamaica right now, so Singapore, so the people them are Singapore, them don't even have help at their door. Yeah, Singapore and the blueprint was Singapore used to become a first world country. At Jamaica, them go when Bustamante, our prime minister, Siaga was the thing there, was the finance minister. At him, Lee Kuan Yew get the blueprint from. Cause them supposed to clean up all the harbour and all of them things. That them did have for Jamaica, You understand? So that's why all of them things that we used to have on them things. You remember, although I know say you old, remember I said downtown one time, you never used to have no shutter on them things there. You just look through the glass case and you say tricycle and butter store. Remember them things there downtown? In the night you could have walked downtown and all clean. You remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, I tell you, man.
The store downstone is the truck piling, and right now the people them on the sidewalk and they never take it up at night time.
They don't take it up?
No.
How comes?
Them just throw chop piling over it and stuff and then rat and roach and them something and going at them food, man.
Man. I remember them time, man, may I tell you, man, Jamaica did nice, man.
It's like a dongle now with the people that we ourselves. You know, you have sidewalk for walk pan, because them take over the whole of the sidewalk. And then you have this blue tarpaulin and they all create them where them have for the stalling. Don't they look terrible?
Yeah, man. At night time and them thing, man, you got, your parent carry downtown, make you walk and all them thing there as little youth.
And Christmas market, we used to got Christmas market.
Yeah, grand market, man.
You buy a little Christmas, so who now buy and you look. The Jamaican are nice again, man.
Well, because of the culture and them thing, what has destroyed the people them is this killing. You understand? The first thing as you man have anything at Jamaica, the first thing him say you're dead.
You're not dead, if I kill your ass.
Yeah, true. And hey, remember one time when a man threatened you and them thing there, man, you can't take it lightly, man say man kill you,
No people reason them family I kill family.
You say our son kill mother and kill him mother and father over Portmore. Them now go change on them thing there, and them now have nothing. Them now no loyalty and them thing there. Well, you know him, are you birth him, Alright, look, a man from Jamaica bring up his son at Texas, a Jamaican man, and the boy come and him kill the father and the stepmother and him sister. Jamaican boy. You understand?
Let me hear them something. Even at Jamaica too.
Yeah, man.
Them a kill off them one another for property and land and them.
No, a regular something that no. You know see all old people, the man them a kill. You know see all the two old people them kill up one place them above rocks. Where pliers pliers them come from, the DJ and pliers and spanner banner. I land for them two man the family kill them for
Right, and Mr. Pan them like them how much while this guy will come from England come bury his mother.
Man and the brother make man go kill him in the house.
Brother kill it.
And I see, but just like what I said, and I see him brother with everybody in our family shun, and I only one embrace him and I him kill him. Remember,
and the sister called me the auntie interview panel.
Papai.
And she said, "Fair son, they are jail feet, and him go figure him have a wait name there." Figure report and them all on him, but so when Papa asked him if him, she said no, because him not them a fight for fair sister property. Him have for them, she have fair property different. So him not kill or a fight for him our sister property.
Boy, wicked man kill him own brother for land, for him man place.
But them, she said I kill the sister too. But through the sister, some of the sit with fridge and move out, and one of the sister never come.
Boy, I see him thing with all this dread and them thing there. When come from a Rima and them thing there. A monkey man did kill him, and say monk. You talk to him, and say where the dread name? Him come from Natty Arima him come from, you know. Monkey man did kill Fim father, you know. And you know, say the youth call me and tell me say him get to find him call me, you know, and him say him get to find out, you know, say him auntie, you know, sleep with monkey man, you know. I met monkey man kill Fim father, you know. And yeah man, and him tell me man say boy, he must say but him a Rasta now too, you know, the youth. I remember where dread name come from Rima, he must bad man too, you know. Yeah, and him say boy him can't believe when him find out say, cause you know say monkey man named Davis and them thing there, them kill him for a while time, him bad you know. Yeah, and him say boy
the guard monkey man they come from.
The police,
He was police?
Yeah man, yeah.
No man, they have a bad man named Monkey Man, cause I pass out a bump and see him and I said, Jesus Christ, it really look like I hear.
Yeah man, Monkey Man.
They have a bad man named Monkey Man to man from garden.
But no, the police and Monkey Man are Tivoli him come from to, you know.
I don't know if I see him somebody, but I know
him like a monkey man them call him.
I go down and the whole of them you see the pan bump. That's all. When Dodo's father name and the whole of them are right. That's what me know them. When my son father used mother used my son grandmother used to come and me used to go down there and my daughter follow me. And she said she would, you know, turn the corner mouth and say him name Jim Brown and him name so and so. I say, oh, cause I never know them, I only hear the name them. But they will stand up out there sometime and men are a pass. But she a little girl, and she Foxy Brown, and she have picked for Jatty. Time she was little girl them time there. She always a follow me after when I go down there.
All Jatty get set up to, you know. And the boy working Jatty him that Spanish town, you know, Red Ray. Me know him, you know.
So them not say they come a foreign.
No man, Red Ray that Spanish town now.
They me to an I'm brother California. Them say him tell me say I'm brother did kill Jatty.
Jatty, and something did set up with blood and Radigan them, you know. Yeah, amount of innocent people that are Maxil for that they killing there and them thing there. So,
yeah, because even one man when it still live at Blunt Street, him while high in them gate, like GP gate, you know, him used to walk through the gully and go up on a town. During the election, him still live there. Live at Blunt Street. He used to say Percy Crusher live on island by himself.
And what happened to him?
When Jatty, them put a lead up on the wall and go in there, go kill him, but them never kill him wife and him pick them.
So why them kill him?
Me don't know and him not do nothing. Just senseless.
Boy, you know, boy, this thing, you know, as what you say and them thing, I remember back in the days, a man in a problem and a man want to catch a man if he kill him, but boy, you know, when the man them go kill Peter, you know, Peter dog them, you know, family and them thing there, after them shoot your brother. The retaliation. So it a go now a Jamaica, you know, you can't catch Quack, you catch him shot, you know.
Well, I want to tell you, my brother tell me tonight, so them if you go kill Peter, a Joe dog, pick them, but it have the louver window, like them take out a pin out, loose the screw, and it could have cut the, you know. So when them are there at the door, I try go in, them all snowy, just jump through the window and run up the road, run like 10 Batman cabin, you know. But them never trouble picking them, because the big dog, and them other brother did they on the bed asleep, them never do them no.
Why the dog, them are something else, you know, man.
A Snowy, they must go for and Snowy run left them ass. But I don't know why them and Snowy was a nice girl, she never trouble them.
Why?
When they involved with certain people, you have to know where you live and them something. No, take away yourself from it.
Not true, man. Why life in a ghetto not easy though. Sometimes you know, so sometimes some people dead because a man say him feel like.
Yeah, them ears. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, who caused all this killing? One dirty man. See how I go. Because I remember when we live at Bakawad and the circus, them used to come, because father used to carry at the circus. And you used to hear me tell my mother say, anytime you see the circus, them gun coming at them. I saw the gun them used to come in at the country.
But well still, but I can't tell you about what happened down there and them thing. I can't tell you about what me see happening in my community. And me against the gun business and them thing. They give me the
one
book.
One man create all of this mess. Remember, even in the 70s, you know, when we come a girl in street come live, my father used to stand up out of the corner because them used to play the Japan out there. And so we used to call little old man them lurk stars, the rum bar man, they were drinking at them.
And tumble, and them drunk and tumble down.
Hey, my father is out there and, you know, chat with them. And one day him come in the yard and say, if he don't want gun, him could have get gun, a bag of gun, drop on foot. That was before 72 election, you know. You just see a man drive up and come and drop a bag of gun and man I take me. Oh, God.
So what? Anyway, that part of a Labour right part that or PMP part?
Well, when we live at Blunt Street, PMP and Labour right mix up, you know. In the 1980, you know, people, in the election in the 1980, you know, when everybody had dead off, them kill half the people up at Newtown and all about, you know, everybody who did that. Because nobody, if you, me know certain people are Labour right, we not vex with them or trouble them.
Yeah.
You know, but the dieted place with grassroots at Tivoli and Rima. And then jungle build up, you know, so they saw PMP and then they build up Beverly Manley housing over Fletcher's land, this so. And then, you know, so the coolest, me not hear nothing going at them place over Orange Lane, Orange Villa, and Beverly Manley housing scheme.
Orange Villa, them killed Danville Palmer girlfriend and shot him up the other day.
No, them never did them drive up.
And put, can you know say Poochie there with Villiaga wife, Little Miss. But she not old man, and Poochie a young boy, you know.
Them care. Them care.
But
anyway, morning we talk, but after 12 now, I'll get jumping at that shower. Yeah.
Alright, my sister, bless it.
Yeah, man, nice talking to you.
Yeah, man, nice talking to you, know, for set the record straight. You never expect him to talk to you, don't it?
No.
Really? No, man. Hey, look here. Between me and them thing, that me never see myself superior to nobody and them thing. I see everybody as equal to me. Cause my mother always tell me, one life we have. Nobody right. My mother always say, the only thing is that some people have money more than others that they make you better. Because I say, when you're there, I see in place all I want to go. And right. She said, some people more educated than others, but that they make you better than the next person. So you treat people just the way you wanted to be treated. Yeah. You understand? That's why one thing with me and them thing, I not disrespect people and them thing. If you not diss me, I'll even not diss me, I not go diss you. Because I not go down to your level and them thing there. You understand? But we know so some people and them thing there, them button, it easy if you just touch them button and them go off. Just like that.
One thing you know with when them man was alive, nobody couldn't trouble we. And we never exploit it. And you know some girl, I know so them have them bad man.
No man, a peer problem. Them just like this them man.
No man, people see me. Remember one policeman who used to down at HTB bakery. Him and Barry, that Bimbo Roderick's brother. Barry, they live up at also trust with him wife, but my sister and him used to talk, I saw me know them. But this one, no, me never remember what him name. No, him used to there at a Denhamtown police station, but then him come up at Trenchtown police station. So one time I go through the Woodland and the Jeep, a driver come for go around at the station and one man I say, I remember for somebody in the police Jeep stop and I say, why you look nice here? Where you don't come from both you, so? So I say, yeah man, I live around there, so. And in the pan Jeep, I see you, I say, where you see me do? Where you see me do? Never tell us when I labor right. My labor right and then go like him want to find out people all the while. So never tell us when I labor right. Him out herself. Because the man there, the man that praise me and that. Boy, you don't come from both your son. Oh, me never see about your son. I say around the son I live.
So you didn't know police barrier and big youth?
Of course. Then I run a Friend Street, big youth, so they I'll kill off most of the Rima man and they go rob Friday daytime and I run through place. How much Rima man him kill around the so go rob every Friday.
Yeah, and the music here Starky sometime too. In a police vehicle.
Well, like I said, I don't know every move with them man they make, but when I know I can't talk, but I know say one thing with them man there.
Them evil man.
Well, you see like how people, them friend killer and them something, them not believing in that. Cause even when the jungle man them run with the end of them have to left up a jungle because them are well and pan the girl them and I rape them. Starky never find a shot pan DNA. And Squidly, me have to lick some shot off a Squidly one time because Squidly done enough up himself. He
must bring this too, you know.
Not DJ Squidly.
Oh, you attack the other one, the bad one you attack.
The original Squidly, yeah. Yeah, me that go and enough up himself, so he have to put a shot on him in him foot. But you not go see man DNA animal in a war or a fire shot. Never ever find a shot and DNA never ever find a shot or fire. And we know that.
Well,
and him have to him enough up himself and Tony shoot him and him have to take him shot and go sit down.
Well,
I have a daughter up here. I don't know if him when I rape Maureen and she knows say him breeder and him not own the picnic. Him never there. But the little girl grow big and she knows say her father.
I know say him can't remember all in that 86 still.
All of them do what them want do when them want do it. Then them sneaking away.
Well, a criminal them still. Cause you can't expect an honest criminal and them thing there. Cause remember say criminal, you know. Them same man a break the line and them a tell you as you as a citizen what you must do and what you mustn't do.
Them do what them want do when them want do it too.
Yeah, true. When them a break the law and them thing there, and them will tell us them. And them we put it out there and say, boy, them for them life, you know, is like a saint, you know, and although them commit so much crime, you know, if you talk what them do, you know. So if you shame what you do on them thing, now why you do it, you know? You understand?
Because even when they used to rape the people them up a jungle, nobody couldn't hold on for a sister them and rape them because them were dead. So it was a stigma. That's why the jungle man them never liked them because nobody never do for them a rape for them sister them.
A dirty man them that man.
I'm foot first. A shot man them say shoot him first. I never know where it happened to him if him dead or what. Them say him did shoot the in him foot and then when him crawl go under the cellar now the police them start shoot him up under the cellar.
And finish him.
At the night, we did still, I think him dead in a 78 December. I never forgot that. Now we down a Blunt Street, I see mama's a walk, I go down, so she hears them kill D and him down a mad. Now we walk with her, go down there.
Hey, all the people them used to love go mad and go look for dead people, sir.
Yeah, I know.
I tell you, and then run, you know what?
Yeah, man, because if we live near mad, now we hear say nobody did, we run go to cars. When we have follow mama's go down there, we see them show him up past some other dead body. She said, when we go as we go in, so we see him. I said, Jesus. I turn out back. Then all one time I come down Sliping Road. Before me come a far and say some police car a fly. I come down Sliping Road at the 1 o'clock day. But I recognize the car, you know, because I was one of the blue car, you know, ladies the driver in a blue car.
Yeah.
I said, blood clit, what you mean? Me have my brother a stick man now. I said, Jesus Christ. And what happened now? I run go through Anatown, quick and reach down a mad when me look. A peer crowd, them shut down the shutter. No, when I go under the shutter, then halfway open, I must go under it. When by time me bend down for under it and come up and treat it and lie there, and me I look. Even the way I do down, I go.
I saw the people them stay down there, so man. Every time you reach a KPH and them thing,
and you know what's saying? That was the Friday evening. The Saturday morning, I pass. I go down a bread lane and I see one woman and a pretty woman and her daughter, and them are balling, you know. And I said, do me hear the woman? I say, me try. And when me come a foreign, how did you hear them say, you me be a credit, me go rob and them kill them?
That's at 86.
Right, God, no man, 86. Because I come a foreign 85 January. That was before, man.
Oh, okay. The last time they robbed you was 86.
That was about 82. 82. Because I never remember if I don't think I have my son yet. If I like. Yeah, me did have my son. I think me did have my son already. 82, 83, 84. One of them bracket there. And when me come a friend, I know my husband, I feel him, I tell me, say, I'm friend them. Wasn't friend them. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, okay. Them patrol out that year, him used to patrol, you know.
Like it seems him used to work at eradication too, you know.
Them not tell a special unit. And,
he used to work at eradication and them thing.
I remember acid did come out first and then eradication.
No man, eradication they bought before acid.
No man, when me done it was acid.
But me I tell you, no, eradicate. Like it seems that eradicate. Eradication is that Spanish.
Oh yeah, Spanish. I yeah.
Yeah man, a Spanish town road. And then after that them come, cause say PJ parties to mash up eradicate. Cause eradication it really keep Jamaica cool in you know that. Yeah man. You see one police used to work with in Ludlow Mount. I tell him got Spanish town. I saw Renita Adams get big and them thing there. Him used to work at eradication. Man, used to work at one spear, man. Dangerous.
All right. Now you talk about that talking the other day. Nice talking again.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of the General Starkey. What happened the morning when he was killed, and even before then, and you hear some intimate things, as we told, Hope you enjoy the series. You see that, and, that's why it pays to be a Patreon member. So, whenever we have things like these, we share it directly with you guys first. So, you understand, you get access to the thing before the others. And we appreciate those of you who support the Patreon channel, because some things we cannot share on YouTube because due to graffiti, to describe the scenes and stuff like that, them thing there, YouTube dink your channel and the next thing, you might lose it. So we just hope you enjoy it. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.